Greetings. Welcome to the Mixup An Blenda sitting with me, the king of Mixup, Mr. Washbelly, Ragashanti in the building, proper respect indeed. Today Wednesday, though. Yeah, today Wednesday all day. So I think, so today what day? About the fifth hour of them day, they are sitting and thing. Well, we just want to launch up all massive and crew, the big up uptown listen to them, and we downtown listen to them. Big up all of the people who set the little sit there. I will give thanks indeed. It's all about a Mixup and Blender entertainment package. And that will deliver upon the thing right there. So big up all our friends them. And big up all our enemies. And big up our frenemies. You understand? They want them to pose up, put the sitting like say, them have your back like that, and them have defend you like that, and them care like that. But them are dirty, wicked. Dog. Yeah, them out there. Dog. All right. The principal is here. That would be me, Ragashanti. We could see who come class today. We could see who come class today. Road to the cutie, are you there? Well, she can't. She not on the mic for talk to me. Which part today? Michelle, Patty, Belly, are you there?
I'm here.
Yep.
But next time, keep it short. Keep it short, okay?
Well, keep it short.
Yeah, leave
all
it
right,
Michelle.
Okay. Miss Short, are you here?
Yeah.
Corny. Well, for those of you who don't know, well, you see, we're up in the United States, yes, you know, with the means of technology, where I am able to do the show with a particular piece of equipment. But make me sound like me right in the studio. We give thanks to technology. In fact, this piece of equipment is just goddamn amazing because it's actually doing the broadcast through the internet. So it make us save money. We not do it on a phone line. We not do it the traditional way. Then we cause a whole heap of problem and sitting. But it's damn expensive, I can tell you that. Thousands and thousands and thousands of US dollars. But me not lie, it worked. It worked good. It's a good investment, and I look forward to using it extensively throughout the year and things as I go back and forth between the United States and Jamaica. So we give thanks indeed. So if you hear some interesting exchanges between myself and the people I'm in the studio, it's because I'm not actually in the studio. I'm abroad, so we give thanks indeed. And for people who listen to the show every day, don't get upset that I keep explaining this. In radio, you have to keep explaining certain things because it's not everybody who listen to the show every day. Some people will take a week break, a 2-week break, and come back, and them have to hear the things I knew. But for those of you who listen every day, it might get a little bit monotonous. So I'm ask you for work with you and things. So, Chris Cross, you there?
Present, amigo.
Present.
We know.
Present.
Raga, you're the same mix French and Spanish. Present, amigo.
Present, amigo. No, Chris Cross, I use some multilingual.
I know that, that for sure is the way I travel.
Yo, Chris, why the way Jamaica run right, I know. If you look for a man, I say, John, I'm multilingual. No, you know, so that not sound too good. Yeah. I mean, I'm multilingual. I way I say about my tongue. That don't sound too good, man. Dress up that thought. Dress up that. Yo, any sample mix up, Chris Cross, Michelle, the jam,
I have some, but it's not really a mix up. But me and my sister taught this morning, yeah? The one who look like me.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
She say,
hold on. You're the youngest one, right? You're the younger one, right?
Yes.
All right. And you say your sister will look like you?
That's
correct. Notice you always say that, you know, your sister will look like you.
Then what did
you say? Look like. No, but if Kian born before Chris, all right, let me talk to Chris Cross. Chris Cross.
Yeah.
Chris,
proper way.
If our sister born before her, what is more accurate? She look like her sister or her sister look like her? Which one is more accurate?
She look like her sister. Her sister
she look like her. Yo, but now I go like you want this Kian, you know. Don't want to go like you want this Kian. You come after Kian, so are you running? Come borrow Kian looks? You should have PR royalties, but anyway, so now the mix up.
No, I don't really mix up in them, just I tell. And she say, last night when she come home from work, she in one taxi. So she in there, you know, you can't turn the check. So she see this brother look on her in the taxi, and she say, Awa. Same say, you know, say you look like one girl. So she say, oh. Them say, you don't know that girl that will come for Ragaman. Some sister say, no, who she? Here, no, she named Michelle, man. I swear to God, you look like her, but just that you look older than her. I say, for real, here, you need to start listening to the show, and I need for meet her. She look good, here. Poor my sister, you know, by now, I dead with laugh, you know. If nobody could tell him, say no me. I swear.
No, man. No, you see, really afforded them things get to you know. Every now and then, me go somewhere and it's either when them hear me talk, you know, it's mostly when them hear me talk. Because who know me facially know me facially. When they hear me talk, you hear somebody say, yo, what a man sound like Raga, man? Yo, you listen Raga, you sound just like Raga, you know, man. You can't just string them along more time, you see. It's noise. Yeah, but hear that one.
Them bad.
No, man, hear that one, you know. Well, which part of it? I like to take bus. Because it's nice to take bus up here, you know, because it's a great thing when me in a bus up here. Nobody don't know me.
Couldn't try that yet.
Never. No, but I love riding a bus at Jamaica doing it. Hey, you know, say a Ph.D. I go up on Jamaica bus. I sit, and, you know, but anyway, we just, you know, sometimes they warm me up, man, and chat me down and thing. But anyway, so I love take the bus up there and thing and whatever. Some of them on bus stop. Some of them I see one man and nah, this nobody. We just I say he fall in the category where we consider madman. The man dirty. The man one of them trolley they were full up of one bag or something like, you know, like I'm house that or whatever in a trolley and dirty. And the man them thick cake up locks there or something. And not because him love Rasta, him just not comb it for years. And thing or whatever. So him over there and him I'm a you know. I don't know when I take no check anymore with it. I think or whatever. So one bus stop on the other side. And my brother run out of the bus now. And him have one brown paper bag in his man and it's like say him have some food in it, but you know he probably don't want to waste food and whatever. So but him obviously the pan hurry, so run go over to him man now and say, hey, here you go. Here's some food, here's some nice food in it, here's some nice food. And we don't skip it and eat. The madman say, excuse me, I didn't ask you for that. I'm not going. You know, I see the brother freeze like, when I look at him face like, oh, he's a madman, how could you not want my food? But what do you? And then him like a fool, the way the shark take him, no, he must steer upon the bag like, so, what am I doing this? I think, I'm going to sit down there and watch and I laugh. And then him cut across the street and keep it back in there.
But here you know, talk it in a Jamaican, where the madman say, how would we phrase it? If somebody look on we and give we food. Oh,
yo, the man, yo, Mr. Man.
Yeah.
Yo, may I ask you for the food? Not giving the food, man.
I'm not hungry. I'm
not hungry. Okay. You see, look like I'm hungry. We just take a piece of patio out of the gutter and my belly full. I'm not hungry. And the other one we take it yesterday. Some girl are hype and them know so them big like belch. How? Michelle.
You missed the key thing. Them Jojo big like belch.
Them Jojo big.
Right.
Thank you.
Right.
You see, that's how I know y'all want to know.
Right.
Them Jojo big like belch.
Right.
Yeah, hey, we have to really visit back that thing then. Because anybody who grew up in Jamaica, I don't know about anywhere, because you just hear some big brawling belts, you know. And if a girl Jojo big like girl and big brawling belts, you know, say, it not stay right for her at all. I would just say, yeah, you know, people I take step with the woman them, but big up the man them where them I run up them mouth and at this the woman them, and when them I do them thing, them do for them thing, it as short as a, what would I call it now? As a sneeze, no? Don't it? You have some man at work and as you sneeze them done.
But here the twist to that big Juju big like belch thing there. Big dirty belch normally stink, you know.
Yeah. Well, don't even talk about stink then, because you know, say you have a whole heap of bossy people afraid of that word they poop. And I'm saying it's disgusting, but so bossy people, if you're listening to the show at this time, this is probably a good time for you to change the dial, okay? If you have a problem with the word poop,
It's funny that you touched that subject, Because, man, I tell you, man, last night, I don't know what came over me, honestly. We just leave it right there.
No. You did not bomb up the place. Eh? Your brother and your sister, your mother, them did go through a hard time last night. No.
And me, you are around.
Oh, God, Michelle, you know that. But you know, say, anytime somebody have to run from them own a poop, you know, say, it's really terrible, don't it?
Donk-a-donk.
No, because usually people can't tolerate them own a poop, you know. So, I not like, a couple times I've been in that position where your leg go one and you have to say, oh, Jesus, God, man.
And what did I go on up there?
Reggae, I walk one this. I said, no, sir, Satan must have fight somebody and I'm going to go right there. No, couple times well, several times well. You leg go one and you say, no, sir, I mean that. No, I've done a summer steer. I done summer steer, I summer usually
steer. Wait, say surprise yourself.
Yeah. You say, no, Raga, you just shock me. You just shock me. You understand? No, for real, some of them, sometimes you get like, sometimes when, let me ask you something. Again, most of people, this is probably not your moment. Taki got you. May I ask you, Michelle, you ever sleep it and leg a poop and the poop wake you up?
No, but my nephew asleep and my leg one and it wake him up.
Oh, God, that poor little boy there. Right, Jay, supposed to suffer around here, you know. But no, like, 1 or 2 times I sleep, man. And then I go so bam, I wake up and then I realize, you know, say I want my leg on it wake me up. Nah, like, them time there, you know, you kind of embarrass yourself.
Your belly rotten.
For real, yo. You know them days, when mango time come, it can't rinse, you know. Me for tell you, when mango time soon come back, everything is everything. Okay, what time it is? It's about 12 minutes to 2 o'clock. That means it's a good time for... Yeah, big up Mayflower Hotel where the people them can go get short time because some people don't like when we say it, you know, but big up the short time hotel because them serve a purpose, you know, in given the economic constraints that some people are under. Sometimes people don't want to pay for your entire night. Just all want to pay for all a 3 hour and thing and do them thing and whatever, you understand? But you know, some always wonder though for the people them who end up to take more than 3 hours. What them do? Them just go outside and say like, can I pay for an extra hour, an extension or something like that? Curious. Perhaps we should have somebody from the Mayflower Hotel like explain that. When one was like, when you shot it and it's 3 hours done, them come knock and say, yo, you're 3 hours up, you know, it's like, yo, I can't touch you. I don't know how they for me. Lord
God.
Anyway. Emily and the rest of the world, our Can You Believe It today comes from Cleveland, Ohio. And do remember, say, Can You Believe It is all about true stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, anything can go. And of course, again, this one is coming from, in the United States, from the state of Ohio, that North Jamaicans refer to as what, Michelle? What Jamaicans call Ohio? O-Y-O, right? O-H-I-O. Jamaicans see that and them say O-Y-O. All right. Don't play with me. Oh, all right. You know what? Woman kills boyfriend by sitting on him. Woman kills boyfriend by sitting on. It's a fluff. You know, there's much to learn from this one. I could read the mix-up. And obese, well, first of all, I want to say thanks to Jason up there in Orlando, Florida, because I'm send with them, you know. I'm the proper mix-up journalist. You understand? And I'm one of the yarders them to him over mixupyard.com. I'm one of the people who set it over there and sit. Again, Jason out of Orlando, Florida. Large up yourself, my link. Everything is everything. I can read the mix-up. An obese woman who killed her boyfriend by sitting on him will not serve any time behind bars. Mia Landingham pleaded guilty to involuntary manslaughter on Wednesday and was sentenced to 3 years probation and 100 hours of community service. Landingham, who was believed to weigh over 300 pounds at the time of the August 2009 incident, sat on Michael Middleton Bay as he was on the couch. According to a lawyer, there was a history of domestic abuse between Landingham and her boyfriend. Investigators say the victim was 5'10" tall and weighed 126 pounds. That's the man who then killed. Landingham is 5 feet 9 inches tall. A police scale that went up to 350 pounds wasn't enough to accurately weigh the Cleveland woman, according to the affiliate. What that means is them did a weigh, but the scale can only weigh up to 350 pounds when the police are weigh. But she weighed more than 350 pounds, so them couldn't, use yo, we're not laugh off the fluffy people, whatever. But what me I say is, Emily, yo, them say domestic abuse is there between them. So it look like the youth did abuse her. I don't know how. And one day, I'm the sofa and she just go sit down upon him and kill that. Mad.
She just said she had Lego her body.
No, man. No, when the gear youth, they call it, she want to say, I'm just fling down my body. Fling down my body. Okay. Yo, it's like, I don't know, it's like she probably never did that while him. And him probably did abuse her, and I go and thing. And she probably said, I'm to that fool. I don't know, say, I'm not to just sit down upon him and it done. You understand? I look like he must have passed in place one year and she just say, I eat this, and just walk over and just sit down upon that. Kill him, man.
Go see how she has
Kill the man.
Why I never think about this earlier and look how they started the beating,
No, probably she know it long time too. Probably she try work with him and try for him change, and thing or whatever. And no, probably she that think for lose some weight, and when she says she not gonna lose it, she just use it. No, but just I say, no, but with all due respect, when you hear me always attack, I'm keep it real, because I'm telling you, when it comes to sort out, lift up in fashion, lift up your lady and things. So if the man them strong enough and whatever, and lift up a lady, but sometimes the fluffy them want to run in on the new trend and it don't work. Right? I mean, I hide and talk. Ladies, if we're fluffy and you really care about your man, don't go tell your man about him to lift you up on him and start you. Because sometimes when the thing I work, it's just difficult enough to even find what to find. And then for God say, we're going to lift up and, you understand? So somehow of a bill with them thing there. For the know some of the things set away. Just go on. With all due respect, yo. One time when I shot the thing and I thought, but honey, can't I go on top? No. Go on top where? Which part you go on top? If you really care about me, you won't even ask about it. You know your thing set away. And you know so I use a fluffy to the max and whatever. What kind of top you want to go on? The kill you go kill me. I kill a man. You understand? We just keep it real, We just keep it real. But big up to, and we are talking about people who really, really fluffy. It's just a reality. Yeah. We have to acknowledge and think. See this woman that sit down upon a man, kill him. Sit down upon a man, kill him. Right? So if you watch a movie and you see a woman sit down upon a man leg and have a romantic moment, don't turn on to your man and say, honey, can we do that? No, you're going to break him knee.
Yeah.
You understand? I would not being mean to fluffy people and whatever. We're just saying that there are certain realities we have to take into consideration, with respect to your physical. Well, I'm right, Emily. I'm right.
You're right, man. You're right.
We're not diss nobody.
No,
we're not diss nobody. We just say
people need to face the facts,
Yeah. And
so Queen Bee post the lady picture on Facebook. I'm not that should trang door, honestly.
Hold on, let me look. Where she there on? AC Wala fan. She there on? AC Wala fan. She there on? AC Wala fan. What do you see him? You see him now? Look at eye picture right there, sir. And black people them too. Black people them too. No, but wait, no. I'm not this nobody still, but I don't know. I don't know if you're there with somebody who can just sit on you and kill you. No, that no, I could stop because people are going to misunderstand where we are, sir, right, sir, and think that we are make fun of fat people. You understand? Yeah, so I could stop right, But the point I make is that we have no problem with fluffy. Just I say, sometimes people don't acknowledge their physical reality and it leads to all kind of complications and problems. So just I say people for bump to think certain way when them things in the reach. You understand? Because what Chris Cross say, well,
no man ask if a dead the man dead.
Like you're not here. Him dead.
You're not here, what going on. Dead, the man dead. She just go sit down upon him in the sofa and him dead.
You know what kind of song them couldn't sing at the setup or the funeral, right, Raga?
Which one?
He's got the whole world in his hands. Them couldn't sing that though. Because if the fluffy smarter than us a look. I would have mark with.
You know, then I say, okay, he has passed on gone, so in tribute to the deceased, we're about to sing this song. He's got the whole world in his eye. And them relative come and say, don't sing that one, please. Don't sing that.
See all the fluffy
don't sing that.
It's serious.
Don't sing that one, okay? Because he had the whole world in his hands, and that's why he died. He couldn't manage it. Yeah. Yo, Cross, you're sample, you know. No, but Chris Cross, big and serious. You that there with somebody where you just one day you go to boom and you pray and you say, John, you know, say, my girl could have just sit down for me and kill me right away. You that stay with that person?
No, still. No, I risk my life them way. I mean, insurance and that trap.
You know, you and her play a card or something and she just, you know, with a joke, she just feel like for box you, and it's not a normal box.
Just boof you.
Yeah, it's like one box and then she said, oh my God, sorry, that time you get lockjaw, broke face, all kind of things.
There's a difference with getting a double whopper. I know, I'm sorry.
Hey, you know what? We need to stop. We need to stop. No one of the people ever want to kill me. There you have it, people, in Cleveland, Ohio. Again, unbelievable as it may sound, but it is definitely true. A woman sat on her boyfriend. Her boyfriend is 5 feet 10 inches tall and weighed 126 pounds. And this woman is 5 feet 9 inches tall and she weighs in excess of 350 pounds. She sat on her boyfriend and killed him by just sitting on him. Unbelievable, but true. That is why we call it Can You Believe It? That's what!
Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? Can you believe it?
Okay, it's all about reading some email right now, you know? It's all about reading some email right now. All right, first email. I will some mix up in the first email. You don't want to hear that. Raga, I am in New York right now. On New Year's Eve, I go home, go catch my mother, a swipe my man. Oh, God. Oh, God. Let me start it over. Raga, I am in New York right now. On New Year's Eve, I go home, go catch my mother, a swipe my man. Raga, it at me and it shocked me. The first thing I do is knock out my mother and then beat the man to half death. Why must people be so deceitful, Raga? Luckily, them not press no charges upon me, you know. Raga, but me done with them. I am at work, so I will finish the story another time. Oh, Lord. Emily!
Yeah.
Emily!
Yeah.
Yo! You can't imagine what that woman they go through.
That's hot.
If it's one thing, if a man a give her butt. If it's one thing, if she catch a woman, a swipe her man.
Yeah.
It's a whole different kettle of fish. If you come home, come catch a woman where you live with a swipe your man.
Our mother ringing 2011 on her knees.
Our mother said DJ.
Right in
Yo.
the new year, that must hurt.
You know, say she never ever again respect anything will come out her mama mouth.
But how can... Well,
You don't get it?
we get it
Why?
now.
I said, Mama, me not respect nothing will come out of your mouth because I see what's going on here. If I laugh, I faint to the people in foreign country. No, what you did I say?
No, just that alone, mother say about that deep still. But I'm not wrong if I knock out the mother and the boy.
No, she said she knock out her mother. And then she said she beat her man to half death. And you know, says a proper beating him get right this way.
You must know it, Bonner. Christmas, New Year's Eve, no, sir. Not even Easter.
Alright, here's the thing right here now. And here's the question. Out of the mother and the man, which one you burn out more?
The mother, of course.
The mother?
Yeah.
Of course, the mother. Right? Because you have some woman going to tell about, oh, the man for do that and whatever. The man wrong, you know.
Yeah.
The man wrong. I'm low up the thing. You understand? But the mama wicked and cruel right there, so.
She need to get checked.
God, that mama need to watch her mouth. Yo, she's an oral talent. No, that wicked.
Oh,
she said she done with the two of them. She done with the two of them, man.
But after that, oh, you can look on your all you see, oh, Jesus.
No, man, you see, hey, I don't know, why all them things they draw like a woolly porter, you feel forgive somebody like that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, blood thicker than water. It's your mother, you know. She's the one that brought you here. Right. Because you have to assume, say, if the mother reach a point where, you know, she do them things there and whatever, you know, say other things go on.
Yeah.
Because some people, again, follow me now, you know. Raga the principal, me I teach me, the king of Mixup. Yeah, I know. Don't ask me why. Me just tell you, say, that is what it is, okay? What I'm about to say, don't ask me why. I mean, I could hypothesize, I could come up with some speculation, don't ask me why. But for some reason, when it comes to them swiping thing, it is more the case that people from the diaspora, the African diaspora, black folks and whatever, it is more the case that before them go do that, well, times have changed, but in general, them have to deal with somebody straight out and special before them reach the point there. As opposed to Caucasians and other people who have no problem in saying, oh, me get, you know, they will say, oh, me get a swipe, but we're not going to have sex with you. Right? It is more the case that the black folks, them will say, no, the only way you get a swipe is unless me and you know, link like that. You understand? So, we have to assume, say, if the mother has shot them, look who works there, and things, say, the thing did arrange long time. You know, probably she just come catch the early New Year celebration and things. If she come look later and things, the mother would have probably have said, Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna. Probably, she'd have probably come catch your mom and them, jingle bells, ring me, ring me, ring me. No, but that would be Christmas. So she'd have to sing the New Year one. How long song go again?
Who is that?
No, man. You don't know the New Year song. What you mean who? Oh, God, Missile, you just play yourself wicked.
What?
You just play. Trust me, people are laughing for you right now. Because everybody know the most famous New Year song when you hard long song. Me ask you how it go. You say, who that? Who that? No, I don't remember the person.
I swear I don't know it.
You don't know
sing part time, I'm say I can remember.
Girl, you don't know my singing problem.
Just trying to me help you.
Ta 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 ta. Now get hype now, mix me now. No, okay, all right, Raga, calm down, Raga. But you know which song, man?
Yeah,
for real. I eat me hard. I don't want the should ask.
But it goes to show, you know, trust no shadow after dark. My father always tell me that. Trust no shadow after dark.
No, tell me something now. When you see them, something right here now. I mean, I know no people can't even I go and see them don't even learn nothing from that show. Because with all due respect, you know, one thing that show you teach you, know, is that, you know, I don't want to call her name, but a very famous woman. A very famous pastor, minister who just died recently, the wife of that one. She said, I'm a wonderful, sweet lady. And she said, I know you have heard this many, many occasions, but I am an old woman and I'm telling you this. Trust no one, not even your relatives, not even your friend, whatever. So I said, but you have to have some trust, you know, in terms of building relationships. She said, yes. You will trust some people more than others, but don't. Basically, she has said, don't throw your all into trusting somebody, just in totality, and surrender yourself to them and say that them will just absolutely not do certain things. You know? I know it sounds cynical, and it sounds like you walk and look over your shoulder, and that is not a way to live, because then you just be walking around in a little prison and you're not free up. You understand? But at the same time, there's a lesson to be learned right here, and thing, you know, that you just don't know what people capable of.
So true.
You just don't know what people capable of. Because I hear you see the thing with she, you know, come home on New Year's night.
Eve, yeah.
New Year's Eve, come see her mother swipe her man. That image will never leave your mind.
Put all that walking with a buckler and Merlot or something, you know, for ring it in the name.
No, yeah, I come back and say, you know, so I'm going to shot it with my man right now. That she probably come back and I say, you know. And by she reach and whatever, I'm done tired already.
Jesus.
Then you can imagine that she never catch him, but she come in and she said, honey, I'm ready. And I'm saying, man, I'm tired, you know. She, oh, you tired on New Year's Eve? I'm tired, man. And then she had turned to her mother and said, no, mama, I'm tired, boy. She said, I'm for tell you I'm tired too. And we so tired, boy, you don't even know where I go on. Anyway, I can read some other email. Yo, Raga, greetings. Big up my friend in a Calgary, that's in Canada, when him woman switch him SIM card. Raga, every night him a text him other girl. So one night him drop asleep and him woman switch him SIM and put it in her phone. Then a picture text come in. And the other woman a send a X-rated picture. Raga, the man get a ratty lick in him head with the phone while him asleep. Yo, hey, Michelle, you see how woman can do, you know?
We do what?
No, man, when you not plot out on a thing, on a different, you know, man. No, because I tell it to you, know, most men now go think for some. I switch woman SIM card and put it in my phone.
Yeah.
Them not do that, you understand? Them not do that. And I know that woman come up with the whole thing, but for like forward them man number to all for them phone for a while.
Oh, like forward the incoming calls and texts?
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me something. If somebody forward incoming calls to our next phone, when that person they get text, the text go to the other phone too?
You know, I don't know about the text, but I know about the call. I don't know about the text, but I know about the call.
Now I find out if text and picture go over to the phone too, like if you forward a number to. Hey, me I tell this phone thing at upon a different level. Okay, next email. Raga, big up my friend. I'm going to introduce to a policeman where she meet. And like, me and him, they for over 3 years now. Emily, what that mean?
Read it over again.
Raga, big up my friend where I'm going to introduce to a policeman where she meet. And like, me and him. Oh, our friend meet a man, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And our friend probably I say, yo, I meet a nice looking policeman. Come at me introduce you to him, man. A good man or whatever and thing. I feel like saying, I want you carry our friend go introduce to the policeman.
Yeah.
He's a man we our friend there with for 3 years already. So it's like I fear our friend, but the policeman where she there with, no know she says she a fear our friend, you know. So he must just link her up one way and I make her move. And she rate him like that. No, and I introduce a man now to her good friend. Only for find out. So the man when she introduced to her good friend. Our friend there with a man there for 3 years. Yeah, our good. And a 3. Yo, now that is what you call an awkward moment. Okay, next email. Good day, Raga. My day I pray the picture with ugly Betty in her black dress. And now I lie, Raga, the dress sell off and everything. But Raga, take a look on ugly Betty right eye. You know, look like somebody thump her in it. Please, I can read this. Good day, Raga. But they are pre the picture with ugly Betty, that is Tantan, in her black dress. But now I lie, the dress sell off and everything. But Raga, take a look on ugly Betty right eye. It look like somebody thump her in it. Please investigate. Yo, I put up the picture right now. Put up the picture right now, because put up the Tantan picture. We just somebody put up the Tantan picture and make us see and I say it look like Tantan get a thump in her eye. Now one eye picture. Now we say mix up, so we want to see. But anyway, nonetheless, I could see them soon post that and thing. I could go and pre them email. Raga, big up my cousin-in-law. We make me have to find up on Facebook. Say, him not straight, him lean. Him come from St. Elizabeth and used to go States. But him claims him used to go Monroe College. I go talk the things then. Well, she say a cousin-in-law. The person say cousin-in-law. Well, it could be, cousin-in-law the other way,
Yeah.
So she cousin-in-law, but I don't even know if I explain. Okay, she there with a man who is the youth cousin, right? But anyway, upon Facebook, she got find out and guess the things. Next email. Raga, me nah lie, me enjoy your show, Mixup An Blenda Christmas night at National Arena, and it was a big talk about the show. Biggie did sort out Raga. She did sort out the night there. I just want to say hi. And I like when you did wine out shorty waistline. Big up yourself, Raga, because I wish you ever clean. But Raga, big love hype and love come on the radio station, come down people. And I head dry and want coconut oil. Raga, big job one tough and hard like rock. Raga, Biggie, stop hype, because you not happen. And I rare market your shopping. But now I lie to Raga. About 3 times I say Biggie. And I only at your show, Mixup An Blenda, she didn't look good. But otherwise from that, she looked like all clothes government. Ooh. Biggie, them are done, yo. Yo, well, Emily.
Yeah.
We get a message from Biggie from Facebook. Biggie message is essentially saying the following. Raga, you see what your cause, man. I fulfill friend request till me week. Just send me some instructions how I must make a fan page.
What is? No box me out. Don't let me turn over in our studio.
What you mean turn over? So why Biggie can't have our fan page?
I'm just saying, who needs a fan page when the 5,000 not even full up yet? If you get what I'm saying.
Well, Biggie, obviously Biggie don't know that. Biggie, you don't need a fan page yet.
Unless you reach 5,000.
Unless you reach 5,000 and you still have like 2,000 friend requests. Then that is when you get a fan page. You don't run to get a fan page after you have a couple hundred Biggie, 400 or 500 or 600. You don't even get a fan page at 1,000. All right, so Biggie, you're learning. Okay, but if you want a fan page, Biggie, don't make nobody stop you. More power to you. If you consider yourself a star, then so be it. Anyway, next email. I don't know.
Yeah, just get the computer and and she just depend on the things them and she don't know none. But I said go.
Yo,
what would they have to learn?
You see, everybody have to learn, but Biggie, you go too hard for that one. Then perhaps, Man. Perhaps. Okay, Biggie.
Well, we see Biggie have to take an autograph and base up, man.
See there, Raga Setan. Can we say Setan Raga? Yeah. Can we say Supplicant Raga? Amisa Boost. Next email. Raga Moan big up the mother. We have a strict rule against sort out in our house. But our 17-year-old daughter plays trick me in our house with our brother's ex-girlfriend and the daughter's ex-boyfriend. And by the end of the game, the 3 of them end up a sort out in a threesome in our room while the mother in the living room I read the Bible. Oh, Raga, I wonder if the mother would have joined them if she knew. Damn fool. The damn fool in the email, by the way. So I want to feel like I mean, I violate. Why I mean, I tell you some, hey, it's enough people talk this and that about the show, but all whatever, You know what? Enough time I want to reach them. Them can't manage when they really are going out there, we are exposed by the show, You know? In crisscross.
Proper way.
Yeah, it's like them hear the things them are really are going. I know some of them are afraid because some of them hear the things, some of them drop back on them all. I wonder certain things, or probably remember certain things with them wife or them woman or them man or them husband. And them I say, I wonder if that time they went, I wonder if.
Yeah,
no, and the woman them get smarter too, because them know the different things. Them. So enough of them and them say, no, certain code are violate and this and that. And
no, but it works both sides,
But yeah,
woman cuss me, say we are telling man them the secret. Man cuss me, say we are telling woman them the secret. But that is the nature of the show. It's a mix-up show.
Yeah.
And the show, a big part of the show is that we reveal what a lot of people hide.
Yeah.
Right? So I know the things them.
Say
right?
as matter and say we talk with mine.
Talk. Free up. No, but big and serious. I think say the reason why some people have a problem with some of the content will come out and reveal and expose on the show is that they prefer to live in denial about those things because one, them don't even know how to deal with it.
Yeah, that's true.
Them don't even know how to deal with it. And the irony of this thing, this contradictory thing with sex in Jamaica too and whatever is that there's a lot of things with sex with people in Jamaica with people. The way them afraid of the thing and the way them don't even know how to deal with it, them don't even know how to talk about it, them rather just say, yo, I don't even want to hear it, it's not for them on radio. Mm-hmm. But of course, them not going to tell you, say, them can't manage it or them coward out the thing and them afraid whatever. Them are going to just use the usual code. It is not uplifting and it is damaging to the children. God forbid that them have problem with it. Or God forbid them do it in the quiet. I don't want nobody know. You understand?
Skill all that tickle them when you talk about it.
Yeah. You know, enough of them bossy people and them say do the things them, you know. Enough of the things them and them boss it in the country, you know. And them boss in the country. Can get the people and them a travel before get the people. Then when satellite dish did run the place, and them did I see the channel them before we. You understand? Get the people never know them things. All we know about was for hook. And them boss the things them power. I phone the fan. Okay, we're going to break. We're so far. I want forward. I go to the phone lines. I talk up the things them. So forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I said this. You know, some just look on the Tantan picture and me no see nothing wrong with Tantan eye. Ugly Betty eye. Me no see nothing wrong with her eye, so probably that's a little bit of stretch and thing. Again, me just look on the Ugly Betty picture, Tantan picture. Me no see nothing wrong with her eye. All right, we're about to go to the phone lines and thing and I mix up with say and sitting. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon, sir. Yeah.
You get 2 for the price of 1 from your fun wall.
What do you mean by that?
A quick mix. Huh?
What do you mean by that?
I 2 people up on the line. I mean, 2 people up on the line, Raga. You get 2 for the price.
2 people up on the line. I was seeing. Yeah.
Anthony chilling in the building. I'm alone.
Oh Lord God. 2 of the biggest troublemaker over. 2 of the biggest troublemaker over, fan.
She says it smell like mothball arena.
No, well, you have got to talk up in the phone door clearly, here.
Maloney want to address Michelle E. She says it smell like mothball in arena. Bobby Chanty husband, Maloney.
But so who smell like mothball?
And Michelle E. say, Michelle say, Maloney smell like mothball at arena.
Yeah, so Melanie,
address the matter.
Okay, so Michelle, Melanie, they attack to you right now.
Yeah.
Michelle. Melanie there, and I'd say, remember, say you talk about him, it smell like camphor ball.
But I don't mean you want to smell it, but it's true.
So, Melanie, did it really smell like camphor ball? Melon.
I know Maloney gone the Reggae, like Maloney losing voice, but let me give my mix up until he decides to come on the line.
All right, talk up, yeah.
Reggae, when we come to Jamaica, I was 16, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to meet this lady.
Yeah.
Now, me and the lady go get married, Reggae, when me at 17. Just turned 17.
Yeah.
You see, after me and I married, about 4 months later, Reggae, we get a phone call at the house. So I answer the phone, I wanted to pick the come on the phone and say, may I speak to my mother? Now, bear in mind, this one never tell me that she has no picnic in her Reggae. After me and the woman married. Now, a tree you call reading tree. Because after me go find out, the woman has 13 picnic Reggae. I mean, I know she has 13 picnic before me and the woman get married Reggae.
It's been a tambourine for the one, the 13 picnic.
13 picnic before me find out that the woman have any picnic Reggae. And
Hold on. How long you didn't know her for before you married her?
About 2 to 3 months.
2 to 3 months and you run got married her?
Yeah, I'm 17. The start of the shot, so we put a ring and all these things.
Okay. Oh, the start out did sell out. The start out did I mad you?
Yeah, she was 38. I was 16, just turned 17.
Well, the woman who you got married was 38 and you got married her at 16 and turned 17?
Yes.
So she was 31, 32 years older than you. She deserved
Yes.
2 liquid. No, well, no. She was like 21, 22 years old. Yeah.
But I never know if the woman have so much picnic ragga.
So what happened after you find out that she said 13, Dan? I'm probably
Ragga,
13.
after me find out that the woman have 13 picnic, and at the time I found out that she was pregnant after me. Me wait till after she has the baby ragga, and I go to the hospital and get a custody hall and take my picnic. And all to this day I don't look back. Over 15 years now I don't look on she, and I know where she there. Me just want to see have my baby and me take my picnic and go about my business.
So where you take the picnic? Where you go with the picnic?
No, my picnic. I went through the court system and got a custody order for my child.
And then where you go with the picnic?
Eh?
Where you go with the picnic after?
No, my daughter, we marry when I go with the picnic. No, me for raise the picnic. We shall do 14 already, one more shall have. After me, she have must about 5 more, so do the math. About 18 she gone. I seen her breathing tree.
So wait, she not see the picnic for you take with the picnic?
See the picnic for what, Ragga? After the woman I was telling she have 13 before.
No, but what I'm saying, apart from the numbers or whatever, you made what many would consider to be a fairly selfish decision. Suppose I picnic go up one no mother.
Ragga, it was not selfish because the point and the issue was she deceived the whole entire relationship. Because the fact of the matter was, I think a green card should have looked, so she deceived me and tell me she should never have no kids. And come find out after she come America and everything, the phone go ring, we go find out say, I know 1 picnic and 2 picnic, but 13 before my own. After me not read $101 Dalmatian, me ain't clear.
So wait, you did file for her and bring her up a foreign?
Yes.
Oh.
So me not mean career, I mean not read
but when I said differently still, you don't think you make the classic mistake where a matter that is really between you and the woman, you're gonna start use the picnic in a way in it when I have nothing to do with the picnic. You know feel so?
No, Ragga.
When I say put it another way. Hold on. Put it another way. Yes, you were deceived. Yes, you were deceived cruelly. You were deceived in the most awful and disrespectful way. But despite being deceived and despite being treated unfairly by her, don't you think that it would have been fair to the child to have a chance to know who his or her mother is?
Ragga, if she have 30 and she dash them out and look at them and don't want to look back on the 30, am I want she want to come take up?
Well, what you mean? So she not treat she don't treat the 13 good. She don't treat the 13 good.
No, because I never know about the 13. It mean I get a phone call for go find out that she have 13 picnic Ragga. Am I want picnic she want to come take that pan?
Oh, all right then. Well, you have a point. If she's
she had 13 before, no, I mean never know about the 13. So me never know about the 13. Am I want she want to come take that pan, no, Ragga? After me not raise hungry picnic, no, I'm not doing it.
All right, so respect for that mix up, then I say a word. Here, Papa.
All right, Ragga.
All right, blessings and respect. Yo, Melon covered up the thing, Michelle.
Huh?
Melon covered up the thing, man.
Why? One of them things there, man.
I don't know if they're ready for done him, you know.
No, listen, you see, if I did lie, me I thought them would have shut up, but it was true. I never me alone. And I like saying I sit on one place, him just eggs up, and him never smell good. And the funny thing about it, why me the talk say him never look good, because when him see me, the first thing will come out time out is, are you near Michelle? But think it big and ugly, because I come for down, yeah. What that for?
I saw him greet you.
Yeah, saw him greet me. So if him forget done, him I gonna get done. Him never smell good.
Smell good. So you say camphor ball, him did smell a camphor ball with green.
Let me tell you, people are mix up. He was in green.
Oh.
He was in green. But him smell like camphor bar mixed with a little mildew. I know if you understand what I try to say.
Oh, well, not quite, but I can use my imagination.
We're down at the bottom.
Hey, Melon cut. You know, so Melon and Ragashanti and Endra always a war, though.
Them are doing up
Right.
over there.
No, them don't. No, man, in the cuss-out class, them pan fan, him and Ragashanti and Endra always at it. Always at it. Them are like mortal. It's like them hate one another to the point where them are friends. So you say Melon did stink a camp for ball and Mildew. Oh, God.
No,
you know,
but
Melon, I can move to you upon fan wall, you know.
No, me not listen to Raga. It's not
Yeah.
like a lie, and I like me a spreading a rumor or nothing. If you go a fan wall, them say everybody alright say mouths always smell bad, him ever smell bad. Yeah, and I like say I news me attack. I truth, and I not new. You know, I just that me experience it for myself.
Melon, you have got defend that one, your papa. You have got defend that one, your papa, for real. But Melon, I lose a fire cap on the wall. You're wicked because I use some sample talk when you're done, people. And watch your cut. A while ago, you cut here, Michelle Levi say, you say, Papa, Jesus. Melon, you're afraid to smell the camphor ball and the mildew through the phone?
All right, supper, Jane. Easy.
I mean, say supper, Jen. Booster. Anyway, don't worry yourself. I could go to the phone line again. Give me our next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hi, Raga. How are you? Now we playing for all long. God.
A lie.
Anyway, what kind of mix-up is it today? Because me, I'm running on.
All right, it's in-law mix-up, man. But if you have a sample mix-up
I have a
period,
friend-in-law.
send in the mix-up.
And she see a so.
Box me in my class with it. Send that.
You know what see a so mean?
Oh, she give.
Yes, she gay. But me don't want to say gay because you don't know. She see a so she gay.
All right.
You know,
Yeah.
she go off, she have this girl, you know, this nice, pretty girl, you know. Well sexy up and sitting. And she go off and go buy one bag of things for your girl, Raga. And they come back at Jamaican.
Word there. Watch a B word there, yeah?
Which B
Hello?
word?
I think
BC
it's-
girls?
No, man. You said something will end with Bart.
Oh, me no remember.
Anyway, go on.
Anyways, when she come
Yeah.
back, like, we see the girl and she look fat, Raga. Me say, Waan. You know, so the girl I breed.
I breed fool.
Raga, she a breed. We don't know if I can see, she can see her, but she a breed. A breed a stress out my friend-in-law, just a stress her out. So she a breed. See a man, no must see a man she a breed for. I
Okay.
can't, woman.
No, but me I say, which man? Like, now when you breed, you conceive, you know. But I think you refer to immaculate conception as a joke. But so the whole time she did have a man.
Conception.
Oh,
She got
so the whole
pregnant
time
for
she.
someone for a man.
Okay, so how that did end up now? After she buy all of them things and I hype with her woman when she there with her baby things. How that did end up?
Like she don't have a house. I know
Yeah.
she like in one location, so she go one next location, so she go look for her family. So when she did this, so no, you know, so the girl pack up your whole her clothes, them everything around her. She go run away now, cause the belly I come it now and go. She wanna run away now. And then, you know, of course, my friend buck up on her and I said, but you have to take with the whole of the clothes to my sister. So where you go? You now come back because she pack up everything all on you.
Yeah.
So when she buck up on her now, she has said, so my friend said, no man, you don't need this. You don't need this. And take out back your whole for they're sitting them out her suitcase. So you know, so when she reach which part she go, she tell my friend, say, okay. I breathe, and I run, she got run away. Then I come hunt down the things, them and come for the money and something. Because my friend, you are things.
Oh.
Child, you know what I mean?
So the baby.
Them are go and be things and I come rob it.
Hold on. So the baby father was licky man who a pimp her road for she take the things and from the woman who she do. Oh, me see what you say. Me see what you say.
Sitting them and care, and girl, the man are sitting. And then I come to her, she said, my friend, in her no more, she got so bitter. she starts to say, oh, you were part of the plan. You were part of the plan for me to rob you. So me I say, oh, these little young girls, them a play like them at this and them at that. But actually, them a walk on and a rob it woman them too, and only the man them.
Okay, yeah, so the young girl, them, because we know of woman, attractive woman always and the amount man and I take with them money and them something. But exactly. You are say right now that the hot girl them out there target the lesbian woman them have money and name them out too.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. You gay? You gay?
No, I'm not. I'm very straight.
Okay, all right, then we'll just do that. But anyways, that would... Yeah, man, all right, then blessings and respect.
Okay.
Yeah, man. It's an interesting point that we always assume, say, you have the little smart woman out there and the amount the money man take with them money. And the point where she make too is that, you have some woman out there target woman with money and thing and the amount them woman there too. Mad. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon, darling. How are you?
And how are you?
I am quite fine, exceedingly well indeed. Yeah, Happy New Year to you too.
Yeah, just calling to give you this mix-up. Long time though. I know this man is Raga from down south. And Raga, you know, this man we love girly.
Yeah.
You have this heap of woman.
Well on. Talking on the phone and talk a little louder, yeah?
You know, the man them were girly.
Yes, right there, sir. Talk right there, sir. Yes.
Have a heap of woman.
Yeah.
And him go to this woman Raga. And when him and the woman go to bed, and him take a stock. When you take a stock, Raga, and you go on top of the woman and something is to stand up.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
And he run, Raga, Raga, not even remember if he take taxi to go in house.
When you say just fly off and cut?
Yeah, just fly off and cut. He say, Raga, the man run, and from that, he hardly want to deal with nobody again.
They tell me something, Anna. Which town this happening?
South Manchester.
South Manchester. So I'm straddled up and ready for go do the things the man strike. And when him look him see a piece of strength upon him, he just cut and run like teeth.
I was ready to stand up here and run, not even busting a member to take to go home.
All right, that means to the man them need to be careful out there. Because here we be the man saying I'm song long time. You could have find out your girl named Earl.
Yeah, man.
All right, thank you for that mix up there.
There you know, Raga?
Yeah.
Me have one man in Raga. I mean, I tell him.
Hold on. Listen, we have to take a break. We'll come back and tell you that one day, yeah?
Okay.
All right.
I mix up and blend that time.
I want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our setting with a in-law mix-up, boy, your brother-in-law, your sister-in-law, your mother-in-law, your friend-in-law, your papa-in-law, or if you have any other sample mix-up on the warrant, just send on. Back to a caller. Yes, caller, you say that something else you want to rinse quick.
Yeah, Raga, me make you know, say, you know what, dear, you're out of apple tree, me have a man, you know, me say, Raga, if me not turn on the radio for this year, you know, me not feel good, you know. All of me got work, you know, me I mash up the people there, that you can't station to me here, you know, sir. I'm saying,
all right, then.
Man, you know, man. Raga that. They say, move fire and left Raga, you know, you have more mix up more Raga, you know. Left Raga,
you see.
And when you're hot tree in a Raga, when you're hot tree in a what, you know, that man left work, you know, and come out there, you know. I mean, that country and call me, you know. Boy, my girl, if you hear Raga go on, one nice man. Me say, leave Raga alone. You see how you stay and cool, though. You understand? You know, love you when you talk certain things, but when you lick out on the woman, them, that in love here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you lick out on the woman, them, you like hear that, but when you lick out on the, when you lick out on the woman, them for the man, you know, want to hear that.
No.
Yeah. So how me not hear about fear mix up?
No, man, hold on. Him probably like to hear me when I take the woman them for talks with some arms house with them do. But anytime I drop the man, I say, yo, the man, them a move wrong with this and that. Him not like hear that, right?
Him not like hear that. But when you look out on the woman, they like you said, the woman, they not fit this and the woman not fit that. And then something they want to hear.
Okay. When I make it condemnatory statements about, because when the way you say lick out, some people are trouble me about that.
Okay.
But anyway.
So what I'm to see your mix up? Me want to hear about your mix up too, sir.
Okay, enough now. Thanks for calling.
Okay.
Thanks for calling.
Yes,
nice talking to you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I want to hear about your mix up.
Bye. Okay, look at this now. I'm going to cut off the phone now. Bye. Yo, I'm the one. Yo, okay. All right, people. When I tell Mixup, I never tell Mixup with vibes, okay? I never tell Mixup with energy and so. Sometimes some Mixup don't need no energy and vibes because the Mixup itself just shot like that. But enough time when I have some good Mixup. But on the delivery, the way I want to tell it, it just dead down to make the Mixup cool. You understand? And timing is important too, you know. You understand? All right. To the phone lines we go. Send on some proper Mixup. We want some shell down sitting. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Greetings.
Well, go on, Dada.
Hey,
no, I don't mix up still, no, but the other day, me heard a portion to bird and fish dead off a foreign in it, you see me?
Yeah.
And you ever pre on the show Core and 2012 yet? And see what them said the world had done all 2012?
Yeah, 2012 was a crazy show.
Yeah. But me I'll put 1 and 1 to 2 and I wonder if them think they're going to show it and the show if them think they really go so still, you see me? It's so now wait, you know.
No, okay. The likelihood of those things happening anytime soon, just based upon the scientific data that exists right now, the likelihood of anything like that happening anytime soon is remote. So no.
You don't feel
no. The likelihood of it happening, like in 2012, them show them dramatic climate shift the way the South Pole move gone down in which part the equator did there and the likelihood of something like that happening now is remote. Hold on. Based on the scientific data that exists. However, the scientific data that exists, even the brightest of people, they're still perplexed, confused, and ignorant. Them still don't know the mysteries of the world.
Yeah.
You understand? Them still don't know. Them still are learn. Scientists don't really understand earthquake, you know.
Yeah.
Them know certain things about it, but them really don't understand it. I know scientists don't fully understand tsunami. Them know enough about it, but them don't fully understand it. Scientists still don't know, certain things about hurricane. Them just know the route where it usually take. Them know what causes it for generate and all them something there.
So
but there's still a lot about the world where we don't know.
Wait about the bird them and the fish them with the other day.
No, that could just be a result of pollutants in the oceans and things, which is actually quite common across the world. Sure. Very often, livestock all over dead because of there is what they refer to as a merging between industrial society and the natural world out there, where the natural habitat of animals and different non-human species are increasingly being penetrated by all kinds of human technological type of thing. Known right now that if a certain emergency reached the President of the United States, there is an area under the White House that is impervious to a nuclear attack. And that the President can exist down there with his cabinet and members of Congress and continue running the country in the event that they experience a nuclear attack. And the President, he or she can be down there for an extended period of time. They have all these supplies and all this stuff in a workout down there. Now, if you have something like that in place, then it also follows that given that the United States, for example, is one of the active participants in what is referred to as biological warfare, then it follows then that they too would have some contingency plan, in case you have some form of biological warfare that just wipe out a significant portion of humanity, let them have some contingency plan to have certain people put in place in order to continue humanity in case we experience that type of disaster. But I wouldn't advise you to worry about those things.
All right, no bad.
All right.
You see me? And the thing
No say a word, my king, man. Protection. Yeah, man. Protection.
All right,
Well on. Talk up louder.
I say the woman, the politician, man, but he like going to start out alone. She ain't going down with. So the man tell her, say, he might get 20 grand for the Christmas. So she come here the evening, she tell me, you know, this is the morning, she get up and she dress up and hot up and nice, and the man come pick her up and the man live, you know. Me say, when she come back, she come call me some for come downstairs to her, she cost all the man, $3, yeah, $12,000 instead of 20 grand. She said she have to get bad and mash up the man poodle head, the man poodle dog head, and the man call police. And when the police come, she stand up, stiff out, no pay out, no pay out, the police. And so, she say, how much money it is?
Well, I don't know. So him tell her, say, I give her 20 grand for Christmas, right?
Yes.
And then him come fear enough for carry her go up and place up on the hill for sort her out and thing. And after I'm done sort her out, at 12 grand him give her, don't it?
Yeah, 12 grand. And she take up
and then she get... And she get vexed now and start mash up the place and get a piece of pipe. And what she do with the poodle with the pipe?
Mash up the man poodle dog head.
She beat the poodle with the pipe.
Yeah, the poodle dog head mash up. So she say, and the man call police. And she say when the police come, she turn up stiff and tear tire and open up her mouth at police and say, you know, she say how much money it is.
What they move back? What they what? But with all due respect now, me not care if she want vex, you know. She should have taken it out on the poodle and the wrong dog. She made it.
Say, and that everybody else, I'm saying, like an artist thing, you know, Sunday gun, the dirty woman wants done, you know. The woman wants done good Sunday gun. I have to live, I have to nasty her up, you know.
No, it's the wrong dog she beat. She should have beat the other dog if she want to beat dog, but she going to beat the poodle for me. I defend the poodle.
You understand? The man poodle dog, it is a wicked woman.
She need to be reported to the Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. And if the poodle are listen right, I know the poodle for no say, listen poodle, the Tambourine nation that support you. It's not your fault. She beat the wrong dog. What a wicked woman, he gonna put the iron pipe over the poodle dog head. Oh Lord have mercy. So wait, then tell me something. Well, I don't know. And I down here good. What a terrible, disgusting woman doing. Then tell me something I know. The politician, a big politician, idiot politician.
Look like in a councillor or something, but me know say in a politics come always their name because they overcross the water.
All right. Now listen, you can't call no name, obviously you can't call no road or none. All you can do is just tell me like the area, you know?
Yeah, what happen?
Yeah, just the area. Don't let them know, just the area.
Up on the hill, man. Up on the hill, the man live.
No, man, but I only put hill there, Jamaica, so just tell me the area. Where.
Some golden place.
Some golden place?
Yes.
No, man, I said the area where you live,
Oh, Boulevard.
All right, no, say nothing more. You live off 5 Boulevard, like what? Marvellous side, well, Marvellous side, where you live? Marvellous, Dwayne Park. Which side you live? Which side of the boulevard?
No, which part of my 60 road out of Boulevard, man?
Okay, I know where this and I say a word out this. So him always just carry her, him always just come here and carry her up on the hill.
Yes, man, yes.
Well on, no, just curious, a PNP or JLP?
The man?
Yeah.
I know, in response to what he passed into Wagwan and like an active party come from. But in wife they are firing.
In wife they are firing? Oh, no, don't say that. You see them type of information and I give you that one. We just want, you see when we don't talk, you talk to Ruth and Ruth we just ask you a couple of questions off the air, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so where's your
I want body man in a Raga woman who look like she just go around and just bring it out for any man to get anything.
Oh, and she said that she thought for money and things, don't it? And she said that she thought for money and things, don't it?
Yes, for money. I be clothes and shoes, them the woman they live style of clothes and shoes and hairstyle. And that can't go and come at in time now. You have to think about in the next 20 years time where you have it. And she have big showmanish.
Okay. All right, now say a word here.
All right.
Yeah, man, bless up. Here we go. Bounce another call for me. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Raga, walk on.
You have a radio near you?
No, I'm not really near me. I lock it off long
Okay.
time. I'm here for look one and cut your feed.
All right, send on. I hear feedback, but send on. Go and talk, yeah.
All right. Me and this to come on here. Did I go on with a little dating thing?
Yeah.
Him have this girl when same left still, you know. You understand?
Uh-huh.
And me actually I got him yard about 3 months straight. You get
Yeah.
me? So anyway,
Yeah.
you know the holiday and thing and over him yard and thing and if carry my child, you understand? Anyway.
Carry your youth?
Yeah.
All right.
Anyway, while I was there, you know, we are start out in the morning there. We hear one knocking on the window.
Well, what do you did there when you not start?
No man, I mean film kids them room, you know what I say?
Okay, all right, cool, yeah.
So anyway, we hear one knocking on the window. So me I hear him, the person say, you know what need, you know what need. So me I say, how would that? And he must say, so like the girl I used to deal with. Anyway, I say, well, me know, say she know say it done. So, go and go deal with her, me still go and relax. Anyway, Raga, only if you know, say, she can't get the window open around the room, so she go at the living room. Open it, me smell one stinking something. Then I know, say, the girl defecate in a 2 wipes container. You see? And they found in a town, come all the way to Spanish town. You understand? Me don't know how she traveling up transportation with that. You hear me tell her, come stink up the man place, you know.
Well, where she throw it? Where she throw it?
Not through the window, pan the man settee and everything, all the TV.
Are you telling me that this woman who you used to deal with defecate in a 2 container, travel all the way from country, come at the man house at town, a Spanish town, and throw it through the window pan in the man, and throw the filth through the man window and thing, while on the India I sat out?
Yes, Raga. I me say yes when the man pull the door.
And when the woman, well on the man, let me just shake all about the tambourine. Well, so wait, so when you start out, you don't, you know the middle I start out, you do the thing, you just say, what that?
I was smell. You get me? So when we wrap up now, when we come out, you know? So when
what you mean wrap up? You mean you put on towel or something around you?
If you smell something, you have to check out where I go, don't it?
That's right.
Yes, man. So me say, alright, come. So me go check out where I go. When we look, as she was out at the gate, I talk up all type of something. You know, make the neighbor them know where I go and alarm the neighbor them what is going on. So anyway, we don't know what me I say. So we are going to she now. You see when she say, the man drawing his shoes, you want to see she take the whole of the hill for yourself. You hear me tell you? Not even you feel but not fast like her. You hear me tell you? When she reach on the road, she see one police car. I never know if people could have got the police car, so. She jump in like, them all kill me, them all kill me, them all kill me, boy. Take me up, boy. When the police them take her up, then just carry down the station and look her up, brother. Because she make it look like we at fault when she at fault. And you should tell the policeman, say, me they have to do something because me just can't believe them left me. I have 4 months down in the car. Me tell me now, Raga.
Hold on. The reason why she do that is because she said she can't believe him left her and 4 months now him not call her.
4 months now him not call her.
So she defecate. When you say a 2 white container, she defecate, you know?
2 white container. No, the white container, them man, when you buy the wipes, man. When you buy the wipes.
Oh, wipes.
Container,
no, wipes. Okay, wipes. I think you say white. Wipes, okay. Baby wipes, okay.
So you can imagine how...
Oh, you mean... Well, you mean like the Huggies wipes bucket them, don't it?
Yes, it's same one. One Huggies and one Pampers container. Me say, all the neighbors, them have to come out and I say, what that man? Me say, everybody, I want water truck in my car to come wash out the living room. And me say, Raga, all the months. Me say, months per month, we are wash and it can't. Me say, I just want the smell good. The amount, I wait for me telling, we buy Fabulous, so we buy everything till a week. I wash. You hear me tell you? Somebody say you was breathe. Then somebody say, we must go down to any store, we all buy G's. That couldn't hold it down. Now you know G's are strong.
No, so it look like Sophia has something where she like a strong man.
No, man, Raga, me say, she say a long time she hype it up, because she tell the police them.
So it look like she do it and did a save it for make sure say it prime, you know, man. It look like she not keep it for make sure say it cure, you know.
Mr. Raga, me nearly dropped down, because I can't believe say people good stuff. Me want to know how she travel with that to come here. That me want
No, but that is the very question me I think, you know, anybody who can defecate in a container and travel with it from country, from bus and everything and no, sir, no, me couldn't travel with them, there's something, sir, no. I couldn't travel with them. There's something. No.
Yo,
let me tell you something. I don't even like smell my own poop.
Then, Raga, I
don't even like smell my own poop. Much less sugar work with 2 containers. That's nasty girl, lad. Dirty girl, lad. Nasty girl.
The people them in our community, they say we are exaggerate when they see the water truck come. You understand? But when anybody them come, they say, no, man, me just understand what I go through. You understand? We have to call people. When the policeman say, now come further than the gate, because this is serious. As for in Carolina, they say, we only can process it, but you have to go to Central Village. You want to feel sure about the man said, don't lock me up, don't lock me up.
No, what you say? When the police they come out, the police say, yo, you know, so we're not to go up there, so yo, up there, no smell right, yo.
That was the policeman's idea. Say, me have a friend with a water truck. Because this need a water truck. You understand?
Oh.
Yes, and we say, we buy jail, we buy Mistling, we buy Fabuloso, back at them something that work.
Yo, no, I'm going to ask you a question. I don't know why you feel now, Ian. We just need to ask you that question. The settee, where she throw the thing pan and keep the settee?
No, we have to take it to that Raga. Me and girl.
Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Because John know any one of they keep that they settee, then we have to say, you know, we have to go now look at talking too.
Guess what?
What?
Me thank her, no, comedy one flat screen TV. You understand? So when she just him did I forget with that so quick. You understand? So fast.
Oh, so hold on. So the TV when did have
come and let's stop me, you know. When Jesse Rubbish Shop man come, you see?
Yeah.
The TV out there and them I say them I carry go straight at the dump. You know what me talk about.
Well, the rubbish man them don't even want nothing with the TV. Got the TV get a facial too.
Yeah, but you know what? Me tell man. Me say, me don't know how she good so. The policeman them said to her, say, you nasty. How you do it? That's all them have. That's all them say no. That's all them
nasty, dirty girl.
No, Raga,
nasty girl.
Me never know say people nasty, so God know.
No, man, a nasty girl for real, man. Straight. Nasty girl, man. She can't. No, sir. My thing is that she travel with it.
Yeah, man, she travel with it, and we are. And
so, hold on.
And a public.
Which country should it come from? Which country should it come from? What? You know, me a penny an hour.
Yes, don't get up tree side.
Don't get up tree side. So she and a public transportation she take over a taxi. Eh?
Public transportation. Me say I first remember see somebody glad to say police car that me I try to tell you. Because when you see police car, when the man drive out in van, you know. Because, you know, when the man drive out in van and going down the hill behind and come tell her, so she fast, you know, like that in a Raga. She can't run, man. She can't run. And when you see police car, she jump out, why, help me, why? They might go kill me. So when the policeman come, you know, and I'm going to say, they're not a big man like you, big trapped in man. If you beat up the little man, when the man start talking and him drive out for the yard, the policeman say, now go further than the gate because it's 10 looking from the gate. You know, if you come the further to see what take place.
Oh, and it look like she belly no stay right, you know, like her gut terribly, you know, because it sound like fear brown shaving cream, fear brown cream, right? That's like it carrot. You mean carrot tonight?
Me say carrot in it. You know when
no, well on.
Raga, you know when
what the carrot do?
You know when you go send pickle go foreign, and you cut it long way like. The carrot them cut in it. You understand?
Hold on. No, help me understand. What you say? She put the carrot in it after she put it.
Decoration. You follow me? I say.
So what? The carrot never leave her belly. She cut up the carrot and put it in it after she.
Honestly, as she cut up that, me not go to that leave her belly. That can't come out this so. So it cut.
No, because it would have broke up in the digestive system. Man, so if the carrot is in long neat pieces, it means that she cut it up and put it in there.
Tonight, man.
So then tell me now, what you think about that woman who can defecate in or something and then cut up carrot in it like she season up pudding or sitting her pot? I want
but
stick it on that man.
Me they ask him, say, baby, then if she decorate up this year, then she used to cook for you? Yeah, no? No, because she can't cook. Because one day I beg her fry egg and when I come in and know what color egg got. I say, oh.
But anyway, thanks to that one, the boy, that one is sick too much. What a dirty girl that we say that without apology.
Yeah,
anybody ever defecate in our Huggies Pampers container and then cut up carrot tonight like season you're sitting and then travel with it from Maple and go all the way to town and then throw it in. No, sir. What Jesus? That's why I'm telling you, this is some woman out the road when look good and thing. I don't know them nasty and tan. Don't run in. Careful. Oh.
Raga, the girl.
A pretty girl, though.
She pretty.
A pretty girl, though.
Yes, man. She pretty. Me not gonna tell her life on her. She look good.
At them you call condemn pretty. That me say. Anyway, blessings here.
Yeah, man, alright, no say nothing. Alright.
Oh, but Jesus, imagine you can't see a sweet piece of girl no. And don't even know so when you all walk me, the Huggies pamper something you like, but if you see all some stuff stand there. Where, oh, but you know what? All that break, we'll soon forward.
Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk up the thing them.
Yo. Yeah, man, welcome back in I set the set. Now we say Mixup and Blenda with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, proper respect indeed. Now, Jamaican people, with all due respect, you know, say, in a Jamaica, we say things for season. We don't like raw meat type of thing or whatever. Things must season when we are cooking. But Lord God, man, no so. No so. No so. No so. No seeing and decent. Somebody must stand up over them. They sit and say, them I see it. A cut up carrot. Need a little vegetables, man. That's what you call a balanced diet. If I laugh, I feel tonight people in foreign here. Anyway. To the phone line, good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon to you.
Blessed New Year.
And the same to you.
Are you a dreamer, girl? Listen, I'm a dream, yeah?
Trouble, you have to talk fast, you know. So what you say?
Not much. I want to hear for true. We have to, the Christian song say, hurry up, get ready to go.
So what your dreams say now, Trouble? What your dreams say now?
No, I'm not going to tell you about that.
Trouble. Trouble.
Yeah.
Where did I do the things in my dream?
Listen to me now, just ease yourself now. If you love the song, you know,
Trouble.
come on and do it. Do it till you're satisfied. If you love the word it.
Trouble.
IT.
Trouble.
You know my new slang for 2011?
Why your new slang? Una like it bite. Then I like to. What you say? What? Una like it bite.
Right.
But Chum, you don't know a long time talk that. You know, remember them days when girl
yeah,
cuss girl at school?
Come back.
Pick this in the come back. Yo,
right.
Chum, you remember that one? You remember that one, Chum? Well, Chum, you remember that one? Chat to my back, not chat to my front.
Yeah.
Well, nowadays, some women are say different, you know.
Some women no, the one that really disgusting, although my sister didn't want to knew whatever and so forth. That's really bad, it's terrible.
Wow.
You must have locked it down tight, man.
What? The container with something?
Them kind of thing then and at Bale Funde.
At what?
At Bale Funde.
Bale Funde. What that trouble?
I don't know. I have no clue. In a land back to Jamaica, come check mommy and she will tell you.
No, can you know your mother know the things, you know?
Yeah. She said she love
all of them old type talk that your mother know them, you know.
The lady, they were talking about say somebody will jump on, do whatever, steal or stick. Me hear my mother laugh and the brother say, what do mommy? I try to tell me she love your style. But you have to mind to make some people laugh to it.
No, man. What, you mean with the brother who I moved to the woman and him see a piece of strength, they make him run?
Right.
Would I run to me now? Would I run to? But hey, let me tell you, man. Let me tell you how the things set out right now. The way the world I run right now, you can't just see something and run off fight just by when you sip on the surface. You have to be careful nowadays.
They always say you can't give a certain say uncertain.
All of that too, you know. You have to be careful nowadays, the way the things set. And so I may tell all some man, say, yo, man, if you don't like my show, you don't like my show. Nothing wrong with that. But at least some things that if you learn, and if it's one thing they must learn, nowadays, who look like woman, a lot of people who look like woman, is not an a woman them. You understand? So you have to be careful.
That is not the point. Whether or not, some will love you, some will hate you, but they can't stop you.
No, we're not pay them no mind with that. We're covered with too much.
And you have those who praise you silently, them not to come big up them chest or whatever. Well, your chest is big already, so that's why you never want to
covered with
no
too many prayers and too many people. I look out for me and I protect me and I give thanks for that and whatever.
That's why I'm not telling the dream.
You're not telling me a dream?
No.
Trouble with that, do things, them, no?
That's my secret.
No trouble. Trouble. All I want to know is if me go on good or me pop down.
Oh, that we don't know, you know. So much people are listening to you, and you want me to come embarrass myself when me
No, trouble, you know, but me just want to know if me did go on good or me did pop down. I me never go on. That's all I want.
Confidential.
No, trouble, please, just tell.
Do it till you satisfy.
No, trouble. Me not ask you to give me no detail about it. I just want to know if overall me go on good or if me never did go on good, if me pop down.
Nothing. Me just in a suspense.
All right, then. No suspense there, you just never tell me.
Me hear you.
But the suspense there, me not going to lose sleep over
anyway,
it.
As me tell her, say, that's why she like you, so and thing. And as me tell you, you know it's weird, so me not go whatever. That's how I
we know it's weird, what?
You know where me live.
Me don't know where you live in no trouble, me just know the area where you and your mother live.
Very not difficult for you find.
Okay, so what you say, we can't come check it on it?
Certain you're fine.
Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, we can't come check it on now. And then when we come down there, you will tell me about the dream?
Yeah, definitely. That's the deal.
All right, that's the deal. So if I find the yard, you tell me how the dream go.
So I'm not going to think you're going to come trick me. If you don't come, you not hear it. If you don't come. If you not come, oh, forward, you change it. You change it from come to forward. All right, then, trouble. Blessings and safe travel home. Me not going to beg you say anything because now you not remember me. Not even want a candy or want a sweet soap.
Why, trouble? The amount of people me know, if me did for bring something for all of them, nobody else could in I plane.
That me I say.
All right. That's a word here. All right, blessings. Okay. Yo, you remember them time that one time girl that cuss girl and us. I don't cuss her anybody and I say, chat to my back, wanna chat to my front.
Yeah.
You remember them time? You remember them time, Michelle?
Or talk to the hand because the face don't busy or some. Not even remember it good.
Yeah. Talk to the hand come after and then get that from African American.
And then
Jamaican sitting. Chat to my back, but not chat to my front. Hey, I know so nowadays I will put woman and say, I don't really agree with that, and I have no problem with a gentleman talking to my front. But anyway. I'm terrible, so.
Me like Trouble. Trouble is a smart woman. She never said a better way. Come on me yard and me tell you what me know.
What, then Michelle, with all due respect now, then if you're going to catch me now, you think you're going to catch me with that dream?
No, that's why it's so funny because she named Trouble, you know?
Hey, and she said Trouble. But you don't know, the Trouble are one of them people that will set the thing, you know, because I tell you, Trouble are from at 1 or 2 days in a Michelle.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, man, Trouble, we are talking before news start. We are talking when Raga just start. Trouble are one of them regular callers we set it to. And thing, you know, I mean, I mention her name all the while, but Trouble used to hot up the radio wicked, man, in terms of like my career and thing. I always have to give thanks to foundation people. Because I'm a boy by nature, I don't forget where I come from and who they did it with me.
Yeah.
But we are talking when I married, did a boss and them days there. And Trouble did hot up the radio, man, with fun and them people back in the day, you know?
Yeah.
Trouble was one of the regular and thing. So big up Trouble, man. I say a word. Anyway, Bonks and next caller, send on. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What?
Me there, you know.
Yeah, me there. Yeah. Big happy New Year to you, man.
Hey, all right.
Hey, you know who did I call you, my brother?
Not the man from St. Elizabeth. What it call? What the are you see one?
Hey, Raga.
Are you?
I don't look up bad mind people that I could be on the car, you know that?
Yeah, man, but you see when you talk to them, you know, for tell them, say, if you left you alone when you're there for Raga, because that not sound right here.
Raga, me say bad mind, them just have caused me and they can't stop it.
All right, Papa.
Yes. Me hear why you call and tell me what one, you know, call Raga. You know, call Raga. Raga, I got a mix-up with you about that one about if me not call you.
All right, tell me the mix-up quick, but man, must say Well on. Remember say you're the parade, say for mine what you say here.
Yes, man, I'm my one that about to look mix up them. Yes, yeah, them are sim.
Them are what?
Them are sim. You see sim with the one for all them water.
Oh, them are sim. Oh. Yes. Them are sim like where you use sim flour to get out the weevil them down.
You know this.
Alright, give it a mix up quick. Yes,
me got a mix up with you. You hear where much of the look about them in our car in Bill Plain Raga. And that time I was there for the Christmas boy. He got every angel up and daddy stone, you know. Yes.
Well, what you see him do?
Raga, Mr. Man. It's your man that tell me not call me Raga or whatever. Yes, lick up the angel off and daddy storm.
Him lick up the angel off and father tomb?
Yes.
And what him do? What him do with the angel them?
Lick them up and turn them on dark underneath the white room. Take junk.
No, but what him gonna do with them?
He tell them no one side he couldn't go with them. They can't sort them out. You're concrete.
What you mean? He might try sort out the angel them?
But he can't sort them out. You're concrete. They too tough for him.
Oh, so him did drink and then he might try sort out the angel them off him daddy too, man. But them are too concrete. Him couldn't get to do the things them with them.
No, because he too tough for him.
Oh, we too. Oh, cause the angel and make out a stone, man, and too tough, so him never have nothing soft to do the things them with, don't it?
Same thing I tell you, man. He couldn't let nothing to go through.
He couldn't get nothing to go through?
No.
Alright, Papa, thank you for that mix up there.
Yes. I mean, call you tomorrow.
Call me tomorrow. They
can't stop me, are you sure?
They can't stop for sure. I want to do that. Them can't do it. I want to some dirty boy I lick down the angel and find poop a grave and want to sort out the angel, but because it's too tough, him never have nowhere to proceed this and that.
No, I'm going to come face about it. Me not car robber.
Yeah. Alright, take care of her.
Yes, we will come tomorrow again.
Alright, boy.
Yes.
Tell him so we turn, we are mad and we are after that, so we turn.
Yes, you're mad.
Alright, take care. Okay then. Yo, I read that song, but not lie. I even say energy. I even say go out there, go home. You understand? If ever I bring it wicked. You have to know if you have to talk to somebody like him, you know. You see? Hey, Emily.
Boom.
Emily.
Boom.
It's when Derek did I win Warwick the call and going to the African thing.
Yeah, man, I win.
All right, remember them calling and going to the African thing and you never skip a beat, you just adjust and you just start rolling with him right away.
Yeah.
I said that and that did shell though. And sometimes you get them call and you see them come with that vibes and thing. You just have to flow with them. Just have to let loose and just turn mad with them and do the things them and just make up being nice and sit, you know?
I make them feel at ease, man. Hey, they're on a roll. Nobody can stop him now, you know? They're on a roll, man.
Hey, the man say, me and him sure.
Yeah.
Oh, I sure.
Yeah.
Oh, I sure. They can't stop with. Okay. Oh, I sure. Them for no. I say, oh, and I don't him. I say, dirty boy, I ragga. I come and talk up the things that him lick up the angel and my father too, man. I try to sort them out. You understand? And to him never have no hole for going. yo, a crazy things him a talk up, you know.
When him a talk about the sieve, man, that hat.
Yeah, the sieve. Them say, God, them a sieve. You know what that mean? They can't hold nothing.
Everything just slide right through.
Yeah, big up all the people in my fire. You remember sieve one used to chew on the floor and sieve it forget out the weeble them want to not make on a dumpling them? Yeah, same sieve. So the thing said, I want to now make lemonade and we get the dirty sugar and you have to strain it.
What, the brown sugar?
Well, they get to talk a strainer. That's what say I
yeah,
get
man,
to know.
strainer to the world. Strainer.
But uptown people say sieve.
Yeah.
But I don't really uptown people, you know, I really from around half a 3 years I say sieve, you know. Uptown people, I don't even think them use them something.
Them just
no,
get the
uptown
ready
people
made.
not use strain.
No, sir. Them get ready made. Them not for strain lime. Them buy lime juice. Them no need for
probably them just drink the dirt. Probably them just drink the dirt. You know.
The dregs, dregs.
Right. Yeah, well, dregs. You know, so we don't say dregs, I get to it, we say drugs.
Well, one thing me not stop big up Raga.
What?
Big up the one that with the juju belt.
You know how they got that thing. Hey, I know some different talk, you know. You remember what them say? Downtown, a cloth, from Crossroad to Half a Tree, a material.
Yeah.
And uptown, a fabric.
No box me.
And at the same thing the way everybody a chat about.
Yeah.
You understand? So downtown a strainer, I don't know. From Crossroad to Half a Tree, I could have saved. And then uptown, I don't know, must a colander.
I don't even know what that means, but go and talk.
I think it is COLANDER, but it's, you know, it's probably kitchen something with kind of strain of things.
Okay, cool.
I think. Okay, here we go. Okay, to the phone lines again. Good afternoon. Hello.
Afternoon, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Happy New Year.
And the same to you.
Okay, the girl that called about the colorful decoration that she got into her living room. My friend threw it in there.
Your friend left from Clarendon and come down our house, come to go to the man house and throw in the colorful decoration, the brown decoration.
Yes, but the girl don't come from Clarendon.
Where she come from? Where your friend come from?
Town here, but she travel back and forth to country.
Oh, so that day where she did that come from with the brown substance?
She come from her home in town.
Just give her the general area, and I have to tell you, like, road.
In the Manningsville area.
All right, that's enough. So she left Manningsville and she go over Spanish Town with the substance.
Yeah, because she used to live with the man.
All right, and what?
It's like through him kind of, them separate, my friend and him separate. And
right.
You understand? So this new girl come in now in place.
Right.
They're really busy about the two of them, you know. She don't know say she forget the same way because she's that type of person. She's bossy.
Oh, your friend bossy?
Yeah, she's very bossy.
So what? So you mean so she and the man left, but she still want to get things from the man?
Yeah.
All right, go on, talk.
And the man is a soft man. So when me hear she said the man come out and drive down, nothing like that, because she would have taken it and dab him with it too.
Oh, because your friend I want warrior girl, no?
And a warrior one sick head is an uptown girl too, Raga.
Uptown girl, but a proper madded, don't?
Yeah, it's a madded because she did done something, so she planned it already. But you couldn't do it, Raga. But you could do it, but I tell her couldn't stop it.
Well, I tell me what she do. At the same day when she put it in, I can't see it because it sounds like a two.
A long time she preserve it like jam.
So, in order to get so much, it means that she did have to continually make deposits, don't it?
Exactly. That's what we said. We know how she do it.
So what she tell us, she preserve it. She did preserve it
girl.
like jam for what? Eh?
And the girl she preserve it for because she don't make up her mind, so she'll go over the house or dash it on them. But the girl she really want to dab with it. Because she'd have called a long time before neighbor come out and come into the residential area in a Raga.
And I like get to hear a Spanish town, a proper residential area. Okay, see? So she out there call long time. Hold on, before we get this. So when she did that plan the thing, she tell us she did there save it up the whole time, though?
Yeah, because I think that joke she making a Raga, God no.
So what about this cutting up a carrot tonight? What do you know about that?
Raga, I don't know about no carrot tonight. God no, come never reach us to come here, call her phone from when to make a talk to her, Raga.
Uh-huh.
And her phone just goes to voicemail every minute, so.
All right, you can't link her now or nothing. Or you can't half the year give Ruth her number. Give her numbers.
I'm going to try again then and give Ruth the number because Ruth know me. And the girl that look in the day, and I tell her about police lock her up at Spanish Town. Police that look on her and go with her to care for dinner. Come and tell her a proper girl. The police would look on her. So they lock her up.
She's steer right. She's sell out. She turn up.
Big boobs and her little body. I tell the girl proper.
Neat,
Raga.
So as far as this sweet, no.
Man, I'm not ghetto girl, man. I was just one sick kid. You know, because psycho. Because
in other words,
understand you, I don't understand you. If you giving her thing, give her her thing. When it comes to me, it's come to me. And so she be here, Raga.
But she sound like she's spoiled and domineering.
Very much.
A poil girl, no, poil.
Yeah, man. And the man spoil her too. So, you know, whether girl that come and talk about the man get a flat screen or whatever, the man broke now too. So, we're going to know which flat screen she gets.
What the man broke now?
Man broke when she get him.
So nothing I really going for the man, you know?
No, I don't have to water over them yard. So once the water truck in the company carrying water and she'll tell her about wash out in there.
Oh, Zane. So wait, so why, tell me something, you know. What you think about the fact, say, the new girl with the brother have, she don't even know your friend or anything, but your friend just take a hatred to her and want to go throw them brown substance upon her. What you think about your friend attitude toward that?
My friend Ed mad. I'm going to tell her she should do that in the first place. I don't know how she's stomach for do it.
So you have to talk to her and tell her she should stop save up her filth for throw upon people.
We talk to her about him, and that's that one girl that she didn't want for peace with it because she's too plural.
Why? What she have against the girl? I don't understand. Would the girl not do her nothing?
Huh? No, man, the girl call up her phone, Raga. The girl call up her phone.
Oh, but that we need to understand. The girl did call up your friend's phone?
Yeah, that she said she call up her phone.
Okay.
So
I don't know how to talk up with. Well, you sure that your friend did call her first?
No, man, my friend call her too. They might call back and forth, but should the girl talk what she get from what she not get, so that burn her now.
Oh, but you see, adapt me all this time, adapt me while you help me if you understand. So the two of them did have a phone war, Waan.
Yeah.
And that's the hatred there.
Yeah, man, long time.
Okay, now me understand it. Because you see, all we the kind of get it is that the man broke up with her. She not hear from the man for 4 months, and she just come over there and do that. But now, you give her another. That's why we love when they mix up them get updated, because you and make we know, say, no, drama did there between the new woman and your friend.
Yeah.
Who did there with the man? Okay, you see, it all makes sense, you know. Not that we agree for she go filth in the Huggies pan them and go throw it over there, but it makes sense now if you say something did go on for she reach a point where she take it to that level and go and splash up the place. You understand?
True that, Raga, trust me.
But from what you tell me now, if we are walk on the road and see her friend, would I never think that she's a woman who would have, over a period of time, keep on a filth in her Huggies pan or whatever and save up her filth to go through up and something? You'd never think that she would have do that?
I'm shocked. There's something that she have art for do that. For sure, she despise the girl. I look like every day when she go to she say, wait, man, wait till we see you, wait till we see you. Yes, Raga,
but tell me
something.
wait. Tell me something, you know. Now that you know that your friend have that capacity, that capability to do them sort of thing to people, you don't worry yourself, you know, say, if you are not fall out, what should I do to you? You know worry?
Raga, I want to get my mother than her, so I should even try that.
Oh, you mother than her?
Yeah, my mother than her. I'm in the talking thing.
Okay.
If I move to you, come I move to you like resting, I'll be a body slam me again. Come in again, no time to get up.
Okay. But more careful with a friend like that.
Yeah, man, Raga, me shot. My friend fair around my baby. God no.
Right, because the point I say anybody who can, because in order for she have two containers, the point I make it means she must squat and put the thing them in there, cover it up.
Raga, pause, premeditate. She meditate at night.
Then bring it back. So over weeks, she has squat and do them things that save it up. It's like what I'm saying, the mind that can do something like that, it cannot be a stable mind.
Tell that matter, Raga, such a mad. So imagine if them outside the island and the mango tree or so, and she didn't come in and see them. I'll be right up on the yard and splashing and dashing. But we don't want to do that.
But I hear you say. What you say what?
They will them yard, and when she comes, she see them and splash them and dash them. Them lucky them was inside.
Them, you see there. I used to music power with him dead and gone. Or them shot him up, kill him a New York and whatever. But I used to teach me crazy things, you know. I used to name weather from south, you know. And weather said, whenever you're in your house, I'm want to hold on and listen to my show list. Them say, whenever you're in your house and anybody call you or whatever, never you go to your window, your door, and them place there and go answer them. Him say, always stay inside of your house and talk to them. True. And him say, even if it's somebody where you know, always, you know, make some way, tell them to go over so or move so or go whatever this and that. Because enough time, we're not going into details, but you know, say, only if a man get give away so, you know, when the man dead, you know, as a friend come call him, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
I think, or a night time. I remember one girl, where they get acid, where they take one woman, man. You know, remember?
Yeah.
She did all up on TV, and the woman come at the grill and call her. Young girl, I don't know, she probably about 17, 18. He didn't like papers too and whatever. And when she come up at the grill, that time she in there start out the woman, man. Something like so. I probably don't even know so the man have a woman. And she walk out at the grill, and a crazy acid reach her. So you see, if I don't even know you like that, or me feel say you may have something, me not going out there, I stay inside and a ball. What you want? What you do? What time? All right, me come talk to you. Well, don't worry about it, you know. Worst people don't expect you and all them things.
Don't answer when they move off, you got people who.
Yo, me know a girl too, you know. She said, whenever people come outside and I call her, she just in there. And me used to say, oh, you come on, Jinso and whatever, you know, answer. And fear thing is like, no, when me want to see them, me will go see them. Me don't want nobody to come up on me yard and I call me. Me not go out there. And me used to tell her, I say, you too come on, Jin, man, and whatever. I know some kind of understand what she deal with right now. She not answer nobody who comes. She was in there. All the TV on and the people could answer, but me hear the TV. She still not answer for your thing that. Why I tell you, the way the world I run right now, I crazy sitting now. But you be careful around your attend for it here.
You know, someone I hear from her from when Ragashanti she do it.
Eh?
I hear from her, you know, from she do it, because I call her phone consistently. So I wonder what me to her. But I'm going to call her back today again. I'm going to call her and tell her how it go fully.
Hold on. Ruth. All right, hold on. I want you to stay up online. Here we go to news. I need to ask you something here.
Okay.
Stay up on for me. So, Ruth, make sure you say this caller. I'm still online. We're so far. We're going to the news right now. We're so far.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things.
Yeah, man, welcome back up and I said this, you know, we're deep up in the mix-up them and everything is everything. Large up on yourself if you just a join me. And I don't know so everything I run right here. So with me, the king of mix-up, Ragashanti, I will go back to a caller. Yes, caller.
Sugar.
Hey, where did I say now? You did I say something before we come?
Did I say something before we come?
Yeah.
So some of them work come mind the far too many I call a girl consistently.
Okay. Yeah, Ruth, that try call her too, but when I get her, I talk go straight to voice. Well, we think we have there the girl who did call first, you know. You want to hear what she has said?
Yeah, man, we should talk now.
All right, bring her in there, yeah. Hello?
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, where did I say?
I have never spoken to this person. So what her friend tell her, that's a lie. Never spoken to her.
I don't think she said she talked. She didn't say she talked to you?
No, she said me I call her phone and she call me. We have never spoken.
Oh, yeah.
I would be lying if I tell her that she called my phone. She don't call my phone, and I don't call her either. So that's a lie.
Oh, well, okay, second caller, she said she never did talk to your friend.
Oh, my friend said I rang me on the phone, you know, so I don't have to tell lie if I know, you know, what you say, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, I've never gotten a call. So I'm just calling to confirm that.
Okay, so it look like
Raga.
Yeah.
If you wish, I can take you there. The water is there, light is there. So we have no need to brag and boast about that.
Oh, okay, because she did say, yeah. So the man broke.
And things have to get tight in a Raga because guess what? Me I try all the money now. So it have to get, tight, you know?
Okay. Because I'm a little bit loose.
I got tight, you understand?
Okay, so tight in a way where people may think so and I run again because it not splurge with the money as before. Oh, yeah, money tight, right. You understand that? You understand that? Second caller, you understand that?
I understand that, Raga. So I just me a lot on certain things. Because I really want more animosity. So I just do my thing. she's of the past. We have not heard from her since, nor anything. So she's of the past now. So we don't need any animosity. So I'm just here handing up my business.
Well, he don't know where she right now. She there road, right?
Well, we don't know. He has not. Well, every text message she used to send, I have seen them. You follow what I'm saying? In the ID.
Right.
You follow what I'm saying? So, the longest while him don't get a text, him don't get a call. Because she used to private up her number like that and call. See him phone. I don't answer him phone. I'm not searching his phone. Anything I need to know, I will ask. You understand? And I don't have to ask him. Show me everything.
Well, him kind of simple and soft for you.
No, let me tell you something. I don't know what she consider as soft. He has a nice personality. I'm not a bully ragga. Or somebody you can talk to. You get me I say? And nobody will go bully you or kick you up. Anything come across him, I can say to him. He's not the person that will step you, but he's not soft. Because when he want him pint, when he make a pint, and he want him pint to come across, trust me to come across. Some would say soft.
Okay.
You understand me I say?
How you interpret him behavior, you know? How you interpret him behavior, auntie. All right then, but she there road though.
But Raga, me don't know.
Hold on. Second caller, she there road, right?
She's supposed to do a road, if?
Yeah, man, me don't know. I'm just saying, me can't tell her which part she there, but...
What? Oh, so neither don't know where she there?
No, we don't know where she there right about the Raga, because me I call her phone and can't get her.
Okay. So
but as well, she said the man no soft or whatever. Him soft to me, because me personally go over them also spend weekend and see she box up in a film face. I said, me wonder what she has about soft.
I don't know about that.
Who backed him up in her face? Your friend or this lady?
Or maybe. You're talking about the wrong person, maybe.
But know that ill, because I went up that ill and I went there ready to spend weekend. As a residential area too.
No, but many hills are there.
Go again?
We have many hills over there.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
But as a Mr. Raga, me know the man, I know the man as a soft person.
No, darling.
Okay.
And she is a mad person. And she get to
No, but sweetie, it's possible. You see, you sound like a more understanding, cooperative person, you know. It's possible, cause you don't sound like the person who are going to find any reason for go box him up or move to him that way there. So perhaps you have just never seen that, you haven't just, because you have never related to him that way. You don't know how he would respond to that.
No,
but what she's saying is that, what she's saying is that your friend have a very different personality when she deal with a man, and particularly when she deal with him.
Because what I gather from about that person is that she, in her past, she have issues. You get me?
That's true.
Hold on. You cannot carry me wider. The point I'm making is, you don't know if him soft because you have never seen how the married woman they deal with him because you not deal with him, sir. So you can't say right now him no soft based on how you and him deal. But you really can't speak for him whether or not him soft based on how the acted married woman did deal with him. You don't know that.
Oh, well maybe if so, maybe only she deal with him so and get where. You understand? But others have some and they don't share the same opinion.
No, hold on. You never see like you have some real acted woman out there just crazy with man angle man. Well, I know. Listen. Listen. You never see some real acted woman out there, some real acted man with some man will deal with woman wicked, and some woman will deal with man wicked. And them always have one person where them is a total opposite to them, just weak to that person and go like idiot to another person. You never see that yet?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, man. But you not deal with him, so you can't really know if him behave. Because you have some woman can be intimidating and domineering. I have some man who just kind of just roll with them that way. And for some reason, them are firm with that woman, but just don't idiot around that one woman and do be a fool things.
Yeah,
a regular thing that a road, man.
Yeah, but even so, Raga. But even so, right? The box stop. You get me, I say? Because him just decide him not take it no more. If that's the case, then the box stop.
No, we're not deny that, you know. I would love how you defend him now, you know, because of that if you look, you're there with him. But me I say, you really can't speak for what was happening when him did there with she.
Yes. So that I'm saying to you that if that was the situation, he's now out. And he has to get out. You understand?
Okay. Blessings, man. All right, then. Blessings and protection to both of you. Here?
Yeah, man. All right.
All right, take care. Cool. Yeah, man, I saw, hey, I saw, well, we used to mix up court, you know. If I put this thing up on TV, that's why we not working. The principal, George Ragashanti, deal with him. But the point I make people is that the person who deal with him right now can't really, you know, she can, you know, she can say, no, I know him like this, I know him like that. But at the end of the day, when you deal with somebody, you really don't know how that person did that behaving in a relationship before. You know? Them can tell you certain things, but you really never did it to really know. I remember saying you have a very different personality than who the person they dealt with before. And if there's one continuous fact in a human social interaction, is that we generally behave in a way that the other person stimulates to behave. So you may deal with somebody soft, and that just bring out certain qualities out of you because that person is soft. You may deal with somebody cantankerous, and that person just bring out certain things in you where you don't even show to other people. And just a person you bring it up because them just damn miserable and cantankerous and just get by your damn nerves. But you don't necessarily stay that way there with other people. You understand? So I think so. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Greetings.
Good afternoon. Greetings. I'm known. I call back. Come here wait from whole day for the call.
What you mean?
Me known. We call yesterday.
Oh, are you? Oh, me think are you are the other girl because you never met me.
No, me think it. Your own thing, man. Me known.
I tell you, say it mad. It mad.
Me never them go with it. Me known.
Me know. And you can't imagine how when she iPad, my girl, you can't talk to me. I mean, on the man. Me known when me known. And what do you? Me known when me known. Oh, I will.
Raga, I want big up my husband. My husband, 8 years. We make it up back still, You see me, I'm kind of vexed to my call still, so I'm not really give the in-law mix up today one different day. But I want to say big up to him, because he do some little things to me still, Even though I miss up in the end part still, but he do some little things still. Because last year my foot is broken. Every day in the hospital, morning and evening, you see me. And in them time, they never cheat for me, so and them time, me they far from him. Come in the hospital, me they in there a good look a while, come iron. Did hard forget and thing. And he never miss up. So he miss up now still. So I want to big him up still. I'm kind of vexed still. Because I must say, you understand, the girl make him feel embarrassed and them thing. Because everybody don't want to laugh. And I say, I don't girl that call Raga some little simple like all problem and them thing that she can't speak. But I tell him, so nobody feel away, kind of really in still. Because sometimes you go in our relationship, you don't really know what the person is like. I'm not really sure a person can read or put them down, you see me? Because right. Illiterate people still, and if the way them juggle, know, so them can't read and write still. But
right, that's true.
Raga, me not go wrong go text a girl and know me can't read, you see me?
Okay.
When I talk to him about him, I say Camille. You know I'm call her Camille?
Right.
You know Camille have a 10 when you cook it, when you boil porridge, and as you eat it, it full your belly, and shortly after you're hungry.
Yeah.
So when she full for him belly, him come home for me. So when she text him, I turn to her and say, yeah, I'm glad to say you're there with him still, because you see that girl you're there with him, you start out mad. Okay, so when she full in belly, Raga, I buy him for leave from up push by him work and reach home.
Yeah.
Raga, I'm hungry, I kill him. And me mad.
No, but you have to explain that more to it.
Raga, Camille, in a boil Camille.
No, me hear what you're saying, but you sound like, in a way you say like...
Just when you start him out, when him come home, he want to start me out. You understand? So me full in belly. Fear start.
No, but hold on, but that is something good.
Yeah, something good, because when she make me get more start out. Because normally him come from working tired. You see me? They say, you know him have a cat, him try everything for please me, you see me?
Oh, so what you say is like fear start out is such that it's just like preliminary thing. It's almost like a fear start out just turn him on for you get the real thing.
Right.
Oh, okay. So you comfortable with that? Hello? 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 Oh, look like we lose a call then. It's an interesting thing when she talk about, you know, because me hear woman always attack, say, like, when them have the man and them know the man asleep with somebody else, them say, yo, that woman, she just help her. She just a helper. And think because when them come home, you know, she had a wife, you know, so me I just help her. But she make an interesting point, you know, where I say, like, the man used to come home and tired all the while. But since him a fool one with a little outside cat here, we can't read and write and all them things. It's like, PR sort out, just kind of get him in the mood for come home and shut out the real thing, isn't it? Interesting thing, but you know, she see it as a good thing. We don't know what we think.
She put me on, but.
Yeah?
Yeah, Raga.
Eh.
Me I say.
Yeah, me I say some woman that listen to you and hear you say, no, it's a good thing because whatever I do with her, it kind of turn him on, and then when him come home, he might give you more sex. Now, some woman that listen to you and I say, no, man, I damn foolish is your talk, man. No woman not supposed to want her, man. They get like preparation from her next woman and say it's a good thing.
Raga.
What did I say to that? Yeah.
Raga, see a woman we have broke foot and 2 iron and my 2 foot them, me no walk that way, I'm start out mad.
You start out shell down.
Mad. It does sometimes some man just want to have a fling. They maybe have you all long and they just want to know how the road stay if you just be with somebody else. But right now, he might tell me, say, boy, I'm embarrassed. Him kind of like the excitement and him thing, you know.
No, I want to tell you so, you know. I want to tell you, say, is some people are uncomfortable with it, but you have a point. And the point is, what we have found out, and what some people know from common sense, you know, Einstein said everything is relative, right? The only reason why we call day is because we have night, you know. And we never have night, we wouldn't even get day a name. Yeah. Right? It's just because we have something that is the opposite. We have to say, yo, that thing is different from that thing, and so we have to name them so we know them different. You understand? So the idea is that you appreciate something better. You ever notice that sometimes people are in a relationship and them just start take the relationship for granted and them accost them man and accost them woman, and then them hear what them friend I go through. Or them see somebody I go through certain things and then them drop back and start meds out the thing and I say, you know, so me always accost my man and accost my woman, but as bad as things is, you know, she not treat me so, him not treat me so, and whatever. And because them see something else, you know. So the same thing with sex. Sometimes we cannot get the sex a certain way and then we're going to get distracted and run in upon something really pop down. And I said, Jano, you know, so my woman thing just way better than this. We don't even know when it go come over here suffer.
Yeah, because Raga, one night, you know, New Year's Eve night, me did on a mall. Me send him a text. The two friends send me a text, and me, when him come home now, him come home late. So when he come from mall about 1 o'clock, him come home after 2, because them hours them normally left work. Right? So when him come home after 2, now, me a search for the text. One man said, just whop it back in a woman normally go in. And when I whop in there, the number I see, so me take it to him and say, want me send you a New Year's text and not even send me back one, but you send her a text and erase it. Him say, no man, no, love it text me send. She call my phone and me I make sure she knows straight say me and my wife a deal on a different level you know, so she for just build back and ease because me not nothing with her. You see me? Because I say, when me can tell her that no why yet? Him say she make him feel embarrassed because not when me I show him family some text that she has send me and him I really look at her and say for a man who move so conscious there with a girl we can't, you know, saying really put there down, but yeah. Trace me at the same time, I call me some words and at the same time.
Right, I put it on a guan and she really don't have no basis for hype so. Right.
Problem. Me never know how to pronounce it, you know. Prombele. I first she said problem, now she talk about boat. Like she talk about him want. So she spell about Bouth.
Bouth.
Yeah, she said, I want some flesh. Fleash. Raga, I'm not free for talk, but Raga, so I put on my clothes, I sell off.
No, you make a point yesterday where it makes sense. Is that even when people are writing a patois, even when people are misspell a thing, there are certain letters in those words where nobody no write boat in a patois and put an H on it. It's like she write something.
Spell Joss and J in a number 5 and she spelled dust, D-U-S-T, and D in a number 3. So if she says she can't record, she not construct her sentence them good.
And if people don't understand what you say, on the phone, J, you know, you can press Alt and get either J or the number 5. So you say, none of the closeness of it should make accidentally make mistake and press the
D-U-S-T.
and press the wrong.
Rather, me now go get up every day and I text somebody and terrorize them and them not understand. I want she a text them, I say, look here, stop texting because I don't understand your writing. She still a text. I say, don't spot, I don't understand your writing. Rather, I send her a book list, you know. I send her a book list. I say, you need to register in JAM or you need this book list. ABC. You know the ABC book was sell at $50.
Yeah.
I send her one of that with her book list. I tell her she want a scrapbook. I tell her she want a pencil. She want a color me. You know the coloring book them give the 1 grade pick me them. I tell her she want a scrapbook. She want the spellings book. You know look at spellings book them where them get a primary school. And them some of them write her a book list and send her.
But hold on, we have to go to some other caller. But you sit down and work out this thing about which key she press and all them something there and then.
Look at Raga when she not have nothing to do and Raga she end up get fired, you know. He man now work the same way, she end up get fired because she has devote her time for to me and now got the people them work.
Alright, that's our word. We have to bunk some other call here.
One next day I call you with the in-law mix-up, you see me? And
that's
me
our
know
word.
what me know.
You known what you known. Oh.
Bingo can me want.
Alright, that's our word, baby. Bless up here. Me known what me known. Okay. Some girl are hype on them Jojo big like belt. Oh. You thought them around the place. Man. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
How you doing? Hello.
Doing good. Yes, hello.
How you doing, Raga?
You know, I'm doing really well. I'm very happy.
Yes. I like your show. Thank God for Cliff was on that show, yeah.
All right,
no time to stress, you know.
Right.
Look here, the two ladies. I'm a big woman. I am 63, and you know when you're born from the 40s, you know a lot of things.
Right.
I have passed through a lot of things.
Right.
The two ladies, and you made a very good point. Mm-hmm. You have a song we say. No matter how somebody talks, somebody's plating, you know. You know what I'm saying?
Right. No, I don't know the song.
Somebody's fool.
Yeah, right.
You know that song.
Right,
yes. It's a very good point you make. No matter how we think so we tough, you have somebody we can spin you around.
No, but I've always seen that, you know, you have a woman who angry man, wicked, any man, deal with man, and she just always have a one man where she weak too, and just like turn idiot to that man there, and the man that can always get her with things with her, and she will say, I don't know what about him, you know, him just have the thing that over me, and the same thing with man too.
And you know what you call that challenge, because some people just love, some people can't bother with the softness, them just put up challenge. But
you know it's deeper than that though, because it gone past challenging.
Get them kicks that way. No care how you're fool, and no care how you're strong. I mean, you have somebody who can fool you.
Right.
That is just natural. That is life.
Right.
No care you're tough.
Right.
Yeah, because when me young. Me go through that. So me know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You see,
a real thing, man. It's a very good point. You really have studied the facts of life.
No, man.
Because there's a lot to learn about life, you know. As you say, all the while is not only sex. But there's a lot to learn about life when enough people don't know.
Listen, and that is exactly why I studied psychology and anthropology. Because psychology study human beings. There's some, as much as they're identical in many ways, they're different in their differences.
You could have searched the whole world of two persons alike. Everybody have a different personality.
Unique, for real.
You make the point. You understand? Yeah. No care how somebody's strong and you're tough and you're rough. There is somebody there is somebody out there. We can spin you around.
All right, then. Yeah, blessings here. Yeah, man. Blessings, man.
All right.
Are you take care now here?
Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah.
All righty. Okay. Oh, what happened to that phone? Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon,
Yes.
Raga.
Good afternoon. Sekabakame. Seki, what happened?
There, Raga.
Everything good?
Yes, Raga.
All right, well, go ahead and talk up to me.
Me have a politician mix up figure.
All right, send her.
This man, Raga, then there is this girl.
Uh-huh.
So I rent a room and buy one bed and put her in the room. But the girl then bought it, Raga. And Miss Lazy too.
Oh, she was, the girl was Miss Lazy.
Yes, Raga.
She bought it.
Yes, Raga.
Meaning she go both ways.
Yes,
okay.
Raga.
Yeah.
So at that time, a beer woman pull up over the house. So one the man a mad man, so he will not come here unless I don't come I not stay over. You understand me? Yeah, all right. So one day I come, me see it van come in the road, Raga. I'm watching car, the girl over there go with things, man, the other lady, you know. And I be a net and I make some, you know, then cool on now. But then in the house, the two of them, the two girls, them.
Right.
So see the van, they come down the road.
Right.
And then the man take my drive, come down. And then the man go over the house now and open the side door and go into the house. And go the two of them and shuffle the cabinet.
Oh, what you saying? Catch the two of them and shuffle the cabinet?
Yes, Raga. I do the thing, so.
I do the things, yeah.
Yes, Raga. And the man take the bed and type on the van and can go show a dump.
Him fling them off of the bed and take out the bed?
Yes, Raga. And take the bed and can go dash over dump.
Oh, Lord. But you know what he must say right? They say he must say the bed condemned now.
Yes, Raga. And show her Raga. And the girl over there asleep on the floor till she move out.
How long she sleep on the floor for?
She ended around 3 months, Raga, till she left. Because the man then come back there.
Okay. A big...
You know, that man that I'm say sunburn, stringy mango. If it's mango sunburn in here, any mango, stringy mango in here, Raga. Yeah.
All right, hold on a second. We'll take a break. I want you to tell Ruthie is who, and think I'm there foreign right now and do the show. And then when we come back, we'll finish talk to you, yeah? Soon far. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our Mixup and Blenda sitting. Welcome back up in our Mixup and Blenda sitting with me, the king of Mixup. And with the on the phone and with Seki back on me right now. Seki.
Yes, Raga.
Are a politician the for real?
Yes, Raga. Me said that the man your partial, not the Raga. If me I tell Kelly that he eat off me black mango, but since me not that with him.
What? Tambourine. When you say Seki, any of you delay yourself, kill is that a politician with a name off your black mango?
Yes, Raga. One that is Raga. I put the first one on the skin up from me house here.
Allah, you telling him?
No, Raga. Me say Raga, and they don't go out one live up here, Raga. And even that man come, you can't know, can you plan the bonsai thing in mango. And he got up Raga.
Well, Seki, what you say him up there, Nyam, what?
The bonsai thing in mango, Raga.
The bonsai stringy mango him up there, Nyam.
And the girl have to make up be nice. And upon no more, Raga, I'm going to years.
That the girl about out no more because him just eat the mango, so no.
Yes, Raga, I know up there and mango, because I know time up there eat the mango.
Papa Jesus.
And then Raga hide him like God, me never know Raga, and I put up some stone and I skin. He said, Raga, he can't run, he said, the man can't run, it's a shame.
Well, but second, what you stone him for?
Raga, every time I come back, Raga, anytime I come back, I'll be a nice of years. Because the girl have to be a nice, you know what in the do you understand me?
Okay, come up there, eat a stringy mango.
Yes, Raga, I bone side, because the mango no good no, Raga, because bone side. I see mango not tree on the side, bone the sun, bone up beside it.
Seki, what you say? The girl mango no good. No good, a mango will jump up. A mango will jump off for tree and then the sun burn it on one side, no?
You have to take knife and peel off it.
You have to take knife and peel, and the big politician and the mango they love it, no? But Seki, me no, you see him when him in a parliament, him have some of the biggest chat in a parliament that always are done people. Always are done people.
Yeah.
And he did he want done, can't see more want done.
No, for real, because you know, Seki, you know, say we say code.
Yes, Raga.
Seki, right now, you know, say the police them not like him.
Me know, Raga.
Don't say another word, Seki. Don't say another word. Seki, don't say another word. Okay. Sometimes someone just touch it thing and then move on. You understand?
Right.
No, because him full of crazy talk and be a sitting man or whatever this. And him saying I'm the one side stringy mango.
Raga.
So wait, but Seki, when you say you never turn up chang him and then you're black mango too.
Every time Raga I see Raga, every time I see him I know. He want me black mango Raga, but he not get.
Him want you black.
I said a second hand virgin man give him.
What you say? You'd rather die a second hand virgin than for me. Seki, where you get your talk them from, Seki? Seki, where you get your talk? Seki, what you say? You'd rather die a second hand virgin than for make the politician than name your black man.
Black mango Raga, you mad?
My abdomen, my belly. No, Seki, I kill me. I mean, he said drop a ground, man. Mad. Seki, I'd rather die a second-hand virgin than for make this very famous, vociferous politician come near me a little black mango. Seki, don't give me a black mango. Don't give me a black mango. Okay, big up the JLP. Oh, okay. I'm going to die. Why? Seki, me I tell you, I am net. Why me I tell you? But so when you say him not partial, nothing?
Nothing, Raga, nothing at all. He come like this guy. Every word. I'm going to tell you, Raga, I'm not partial, nothing. And the first thing I talk about Raga is old chingy mango. Old Janyam chingy mango.
Okay. I'm mad at sitting, man. Hey, Seki, I tell you, you're the boss, man. But Seki, you know, I notice though.
What, Raga?
So when you come, it's when you're on phone on the show. You're bowling, you're strong and thing. But it's when you're in a crowd, you're very shy, you know, Seki.
It's me shy, yeah. I stop me a text.
You text stock?
Yeah, tell me shy, yeah.
Stay the thing say you're shy, don't you?
I'm not shy, Raga. Stop me a text.
You just keep back and watch your running.
Right,
no?
Yeah, tell me shy, yeah. That's shy, Raga. Stop me a text.
No, true. Never way I say, boy, you know, the Seki shy or whatever, but you say you're shy.
No, Raga. Raga,
okay.
Never talk close to Kanye, say you big up. Tell you big up. Run a beer and now big up Rosa. You say editing and now going an immigrant. And Rosa an immigrant.
What you say, me always editing and now going an
immigrant. Raga, big up Rosa and immigrant.
No, Seki, mine attacking because I'm easy mingling. I'm easy. I'm easy. Big up Brownstown to the world, them for no man. You see it.
I'm one big up Alisa Brooks. I'm one Yvette. Angela in New Jersey. Your big friend, Raga.
Hey, you know what I just today I talk to the New Jersey ladies and them tell me say them rate you, rate you.
You meet Angela too, Raga.
No man, she tell me man, and thing and whatever. But she tell me say, you know, she tell me say boy, one of the things what she like about the show is that people get to meet people and make friends
that's true,
and different things. And she said thank you because I met Seki back on me and she's just a great, wonderful person and so forth and thing. You know, some of just want you know them rate you, Seki, them rate you. And it's just a big deal for her that she came to Jamaica and she got to meet you.
Oh, Raga, she glad with Raga.
And she said you're and apparently you treat her good.
Yes, Raga, be a joke.
No man, Jella from the New Jersey ladies, of course, and Donna and Lishan are the other two over there. But them love you and them rate you, Seki. I mean, I tell you, say, me feel good when somebody can call me and give me the feedback and say, boy, thank you, Raga, I get to meet Seki, and you know, it was just a wonderful experience and things. So, but that's why, and Seki, me not wrong you. You rather leave this world a second-hand virgin than to make that big old politician there come near me if you look a black mango. Don't give me a black mango because you know, so I'm glad a black mango, yes, because everybody love running for East India. And I love East India. I tell people, so I rate black mango over East India. I'm not care nobody wants. If you get a good sweet black mango, no East Indian touch that. You understand? So I'm glad you say a black mango. Make him turn. Make him turn with him bun side stringy man with it. Yo, Seki, me I tell her, you are the mama in this, them for know. You are the mama in this when it comes to mix up and code. You are the queen in this, we rate you like that. Honorary mention them for know. Large up yourself, yeah?
All right, Raga, take care.
Take care, Seki back coming, man. I tell you, Seki, a sample. And big up the politician too. You understand? Politician, they're not easy, because I'm always talk up the things in the parliament. And think, yo, I wish I could get them talk from people. You can't tell me. I wish I could get them. Seki say, I'd rather die a second-hand virgin than for make him come near my black mango. Make him turn with the bun side stringy mango them, see? Some of them are hype. And them sitting and stay right. Them mango no stay right. Japa ground and a bun in the sun all long. You understand? You have to peer off the bun side and see if you can work with the other side where they didn't shade. No, Emily is supposed to have dead here now. I'm not dead sitting. Michelle, you're not dead from them talk.
Seki, I got hard, man.
Yo, from the show I run, you hear anybody have sample talk like Seki?
No, and you know what good about her? Why her story them incredible because she just a flow. She not a box shuffle. No.
Exactly. And no. Seki know how to talk, mix up. You
but
understand?
Seki voice alone sell it off. Man in Reggae.
Man in Reggae. You see, no, and the thing is that a years now, Seki a college show, probably like a good 2 years now or so.
Yeah.
There's never one time Seki call and her call boring.
That's true.
And it's like Seki know the thing because some of the time Seki will go through all a 1 month or 2 months when I hear from her.
That is true. That is true.
And the point is, if she don't have anything for talk, she don't just call.
Exactly. People need to take a
You have some people feel they have to call every day or every other day. And some of the time, they will call on a one call shot. And them just think so them a star now, them for call every other day. And them don't really have anything for say.
Them need to learn to run with them moments.
Yeah, them need for just learn for bill and just kind of move with it. When it there, don't force it. Don't force it.
Oh,
you understand? There's never one time Seki call and I call him no shot.
True.
You understand? Yo, Emily, you hear them talk there? Some of them are hype, man, and they said, oh, the woman mango not good. A bun side stringy mango that. You understand? And the politician want up her black mango. Seki said, no, she rather die a second hand. Hey, that man, you know, second hand virgin, don't. Me like it. Okay, yo, give me another caller. Good afternoon, hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hello, Raga?
Yes, hello, yes.
Yeah, Raga, I have a mix-up today about an entertainer.
Yeah.
Raga, this entertainer meet my sister Alpha Tree. My sister lives in Tavern, you know. They meet her at Alpha Tree, Raga. I say, I carry her out for go drink.
Yeah.
So she go on bar with him, Raga, for go drink.
Yeah.
And he buy her 2 liquor, Raga, and I tell her, I say, he want some salt out, but he know what the front part and the back part he want, Raga. And my sister said to him, so what you can give me? He must say, he don't have no money to give her, but he can buy her 1 sneaker, Raga. So she said, all right, when we go home, me call you one next day and you meet me. Raga, I'm call her last week Monday and say, you want to meet her, Raga. She just tell him come at Tavern, come park up, Raga. And I scream park up the whole day last week, Raga. Yeah, Raga.
And nothing no go on.
Nothing no go on, Raga. So I'm saying one the back part. She not in that, Raga.
All right, well on there. Just Ruth will ask you something off the air, yeah?
Yeah, Raga.
Ruth will ask. All right, just 1 second. Ruth will ask you something. Chris Cross. Yeah, bring in a tune.
I had some problems. My baby.
Bring him back the call, I know. Bring him
back the call.
Well on. No, all right. This is very important now, okay? I mean, I want you to feel now where you're like, man, I don't hear anything. What you say, I just need to ask it. What you say is totally true, right?
Yeah, Raga. True, Raga. Make sure I talk to you too.
Is she there on the phone right now?
Raga, too, she's shy. She's afraid.
No, man, tell her some call. Everything cool. Call her for me.
All right, hold on.
Yeah, call her for me. Tell her everything cool. She not for work.
No, call her.
Call her. But don't make nobody else come on the phone here. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Hello, darling. How you do?
I'm doing good.
All right. Now make nobody else come running while you talk to me here.
All right, Raga.
All right, then. Me hear what going on with the entertainer, you know. It really goes off a true?
Yes, Raga. He carry me out and him say, he want to do the things them, Raga. But when he want him now, he want to go the next way. So I tell him,
all right.
So I'm not in on that.
So, well, lad, you sure him say instead I want it at the front, him say he want it at the back?
Yes, Raga.
Well, and a real thing, honest, you can't swear on the Bible, say this, did that.
I can't swear, Raga. I can't swear.
All right. We not call him name.
Mm-hmm.
But we want people to know, say, as somebody will call himself entertainer.
Yeah.
But him not a really entertainer, right?
No,
you know about
sir.
that, right? Not only that, he's well known and him chat too much and him don't like me.
Yeah.
And thing and whatever. You understand?
Yeah.
But some just want it just really
Raga.
important.
And
Yeah,
when the last
brother.
week it happened, you know, Raga.
How when it happened?
And last year when we used to do over Portmore and things.
Yeah?
Yeah. Him cousin introduced me to him. And
Right.
I say, I call him one night and say, you can't carry me out. And him say, yeah. Carry me one man and buy one magnum. And share
Him carry
between
go
me
where?
and him.
Him
And
carry
then
go where?
afterward him say, what?
No, well on. Where him carry you go?
Him carry me go one bar.
One bar.
But,
Yeah.
but me not come out of the Jeep, you know, Raga. Me not come out of the Jeep. Me stay in the Jeep and make him go in at the bar. And when me look
Okay.
him
Well,
carry
hold
one
on.
magnum come.
Was it a Jeep? Him did it quick. Don't say that here.
Oh, sorry.
No. You never understand. Don't worry about it. Cut out that. Make sure say that cut out. Ruth send me confirmation right away. Leave me. All right then. 1 second here.
It cut out, man. You're good.
All right, good. Okay, all right. You can't say that part there. But when you did attack to him, what color clothes him did I wear?
I was living again. One white.
White? Him did I wear white? All right, don't say nothing more. Him did I wear white? Leave it right there, sir.
Yeah,
All
full white.
Full white. Leave it right there, sir. I
Yes,
said
Raga.
this so-called entertainer who
Yes.
talk all kind of things about me too. You said when he moved to you, him never want to go at the front. Him did ask you for the back.
Yeah, I'm saying in that Raga. I'm asking for buy more shoes and he don't want to buy me. I tell him say the shoes are costing $2.5 and he don't want to buy me. He say him not have no money. So I say, all right, then make it stay. So one next day, him call me now, Raga, and say, me and him for meet up again. I just tell him to come at tavern. Come meet me. And just make him wait there. That him and take one bus and cut.
You see it?
Yeah.
Are you 100% sure? Say him
Yes,
ask
Raga.
you for the back. Him say him never want to go in the front at the back. Him did
He
want.
don't want the front, Raga. He want the rear.
At the rear him want.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. That's why I tell people all the while, listen, when them a take set from me, I say just patient, you know, because them business up. Jesus. Well, when you say you can't talk it in front of him face?
Of course, I'm
So how you feel about that now? Say him out there talk up them things, and all that done people about them things, but him a ask you for do them things.
I'm bag of chatting, Raga, bag of chatting. My ear,
One bag of chatting.
chat him chat.
And I ask you for do it in your rear.
Yeah.
Backside, if I laugh, I faint in ya. Backside, hey, you know, say him can't talk to me again. Well, me and him not chat right now.
The king of the dance never done him, Raga.
No, say no. Don't say anything else. Don't say anything else. Don't say anything else, okay? All right. That can pass. That can pass, but not say nothing yet because there's certain things that can be said and there's certain things that cannot be said. But that can actually pass. The one where you just say you're sorry, the king of the dancer. Beanie man. Never done it. Leave it right there, sir. So you see what me I telling you? You see what me I telling you? Certain guy can't talk to me. You see what me I telling you, Jamaica? You see what me I telling you, Jamaica?
I'm seeing on TV, I can't talk. I'm not saying
Stop. Don't say that. Don't say nothing more of this. Don't say nothing more of this, yeah? There are certain things we're not allowed to do and certain type of information we're not allowed to put out and all them things. Them backside, you know. The man want to give 2 drinks and then for go start you out in the rear.
Hey, I'm asking for my shoes and him can't buy Raga. All the time I do it still. Come on, do them things them. We don't go them way the Raga.
You see it? Oh, Jesus. I'm going to fall over in the people in foreign country. Anyway, take care of yourself here. All right?
All right, Raga.
All right, take care. In case you're not listening and I say, yo, so Raga, I believe about the thing and I dry it out. Me have to be careful too, you know. So I want to understand because people will send people to set me up. Again, me have to be careful because people will send people to set me up. You know, they will come with something or whatever, and then me go turn Gladys and get too enthusiastic and go run in and then go talk. I'm enough to talk. You understand? So I have to be careful. So that's why I have to ask questions certain way. I have to follow my instincts. I have to quiz people certain way. They say, like, you know, how the thing really said. I say, me a quiz her. And you notice I should go. You remember me telling us when I wait for knowing people now, I tell like, it's just certain details where them come with and how them flow. And so she just effortlessly flipping at the thing. And I said, no, I'm a cousin that introduced him to me. And then I can't come used to live at Portman, whatever. And then I tell him, say, you can't carry me out. And then them carry me go and bar. And then buy me to this and that and whatever. And this and that. And you see how that part, they just flow. My interpretation is I don't lie the girl I tell. It's not lie the girl I tell. You understand? Oh, Jesus. Hey, that's why I've been a beg no friend from no guy, you know. No friend from no guy, because enough of them have them file and them don't even know. Them all have done me and I talk up things about me. You understand? And woman ever come to me, sometimes I just walk on the road and say, Raga, come and give that one about so and so. And I just to show alone people call. All the while me not dance, but just I walk on the road. Sometimes I buy a star and somebody pinch me and say, boom, bang, 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 bang. I have them file. So enough time when I'm load upon a go on certain, I just drop back and think I have them business like that. I'm easy, you see me? Right? And enough of them too. I tell you all the while, you know. You see, anybody you hear get up and a burn out and feel like them have a burn out, I think 24/7 non-stop and now let it go and it's like that is just them soul focus in life. Remember me telling you enough time when you hear a man a go on and a go on and a go on, you know. Anyway, you know what them are doing in the darkness and in the private. You're frightened if you know what them are going with. You understand? That's why I don't trust some of them. Then could have burn out look more and talk up this look more and thing when you find out them business. All who have locks and who are rasta or who are big man and all them things. I don't even look upon them more time. You know? And the same thing apply to the bossy people in uptown. Enough of them may have them fight. Enough of them may not pay them the mind and thing. Some of them who are born me out and go on. I know them business. You understand? You have people get a bossy talk and a burn me out and a big up himself and a big up his wife all the while. I'm have him fight. I know every time him beat him woman in his house. I know. Every time him beat him woman. I mash up her face and whatever, I know. And I come and talk about moral, this, I'm going to do this uplifting and whatever. That's why, hey, none of those say a word. Mr. Man. All right, people, let's show that. You know what, I feel like I need like 7 drinks right I know. I need 7 drinks. I need 7 strong drinks. 7 strong drinks, right? Why? Me said them keep looking at my face again. Up to my sermon at the Jamaica for this, I'll step up in a wedding and chop. All right, crisscross. Hey, Emily.
Yo.
You good?
Yeah, me I go wash some clothes, you know, some white clothes, you know?
You know?
You know what I mean? Yeah, I know all them bad colors too, so me I sun them in some plastic bag with a bomber.
Man, crisscross, how you still?
Him run on the other side.
He run on the other side. All right. Yo, I tell you, say, some people can't looking at my face right now. And, you know, big and serious, I have to watch my back, you know, because you know. You see, when them know, say you know certain things.
Yeah.
You have to be careful.
Okay.
You see, when people have a lot to lose,
they do a lot.
People will do a lot in order not to lose a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Again, people will do a lot in order not to lose a lot. So I'm going to put nothing past a guy if him know say, me know certain things about him. So, for a watch, you know?
I order short shots,
yo,
sir.
people take care. Eh?
I order short shots, sir.
I order short go hard, so that. Hey, man, I tell you, say, yo, a 7 drink, me I go drink right now, you know? Yes, man, me I go cross the road.
Watch your belly.
Watch your belly. And ladies who around them, you know, we say, watch your belly. You say, watch your... Anyway, take care of yourself. 1 o'clock tomorrow. Emily, take care. Chris Cross, thank you. Road to the cutie. Blessing.